Oh. Mitchell, I saw you right off the rip, bro. Appreciate you joining again, brother. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, good morning. I got something interesting for you guys today. What is this? It's quick. What? Mind your business. What's up, my brother? Bedroom trader, what's up? Appreciate everyone coming again. Appreciate you guys. Yo, for you guys on TikTok, I'll talk about my bias today. Just give me a moment. But for those of you on TikTok, do you guys think so? Look at my camera now. Do you guys think my camera, the quality, the lighting, look at the lighting right now. Is it better right now, or is it better when I do this? Which one was better, the first one or the second one? First, first, first. I appreciate you. All right. Oh, oops. Forgot to show my screen on YouTube. Good morning, Guarav. Besem. Everyone said first. Okay. YouTube. Yeah, my bad, Daniel. I forgot to switch screens. What's up, Ryan fucking Smith, my man? What's up, brother? Appreciate you coming through, brother. I actually appreciate you guys, bro. Like, deadass, trading is a lonely fucking thing, bro. Bias today, something like this. I want to look for shorts based on the relative equal lows, and it's also seek and destroy condition. I have a video on this. London, see London, took out both. We left relative equal highs here. I'd love to take a long towards relative equal highs if possible, and then maybe a short after. The short is what I'm looking for mostly. Bias is just range, seek and destroy. Probably until 3 p.m. when Powell speaks, and then everything will go crazy. Using TradingView? Yes. This is TradingView. Money Glitch, what's up, brother? Waiting for people to join up. Thank you. Predictions? Right here, brother. It'll probably stay seek and destroy. I'm hoping it doesn't stay in a tight range. I'm happy trading seek and destroy if it's not like this. If it's like this, or like you got legs like this, how many accounts you use? Currently, I have 3 funded accounts and 1 evaluation account, and then 1 Forex evaluation account as well. So 5. 4 for futures. Does that mean you're gonna trade the PM? Oh no, I'm definitely not gonna trade PM session when Powell's speaking. That's just one of my hard rules. Powell speaking, that's a no trade session for me. Period. FOMC, I don't trade the morning of. Powell speaking, I don't trade that session. And then the third one is the day before NFP, no trade. Those are the only 3 days where I just do not trade. Hard rule. Just nope. Just nope. Chop City. Yeah, could be Chop City. I'm thinking we're gonna get a seek and destroy condition. So I'm happy with that. If we can get still the buy side taken and then the sell side. You're Loki, I'd be liking a move back up from a nice model 15-minute. Yeah, I think we can come up here. How long for you to take profit? Um, how long did it take for me to get profits? Like 3-4 months? That was a lot of work. So don't expect you to get a payout in 3-4 months. I put in more work than you can imagine, bro. Not saying you can't put in that much work. I'm just saying if you don't put in that much work, you know, 4 months in, I had like 500 back tested trades and 2 weeks of demo. You're longing, yeah. Hope it works out, brother. I got something interesting for you guys today, though. Oh, I got something interesting for you guys. My friend who's learning how to trade is gonna hop on a call, and I'm gonna like kind of walk through it with him, see if he answers the questions. It might be more interesting for you guys. Might have some more laughs. So I'm gonna call him right now and see. You guys, let me know if you guys can hear him. If he picks up. Appreciate everyone coming through on TikTok. Um, I'll wait for some more boys to join on YouTube. YouTube's pretty quiet today, bro. Okay, so my friend joined. Jaime, just give me a sec.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for some little more people so I can like drop some announcements or just drop some updates, and then we can get going. You know, YouTube kind of quiet today though. Where is everybody, bro? Is it just me? 15. Yep, this 15-minute. I think we can pump up at 9:30. Maybe take the buy side and then we look for a short. Um, the key for days like this, when you're expecting a reversal, so look at the daily chart. Let me cover this concept real quick. Daily chart consolidation. We haven't had a clear manipulation yet, right? So what are you looking for? You're looking for a clean manipulation from midnight opening price, seek and destroy condition. So we manipulated lower, didn't really take out any low. We manipulated higher, didn't really. We took out the Asia highs, but I wouldn't qualify that as a London high of day. It's not a clean enough. Maybe if there was a higher time frame level here, there isn't really anything. What's up, Guru? What's up, Om? Appreciate you guys coming through. What's up, Kookie? This guy's name is Kookie, bro. That's just funny. It's so funny to me. I don't know. In SD, it's 6:20 a.m. That must be tough, bro. Trading at 6:20 a.m. I feel you. I feel you. I mean, I personally don't feel you, but I can understand, bro. All right, looks like everyone's come through. All right, let me give you guys a breakdown what's gonna happen today. So we're gonna hop on a call with my friend who's learning how to trade. And if he has any questions, we're gonna be like answering them and shit. Try to predict the candles. I'm gonna try to predict accurately today. I'm gonna try to predict. For me, New York closes 4:30 afternoon. Is that a W? That's a fucking W in my opinion. Good morning, sorry man. So I don't know. For those of you who have been with me for a while, you kind of know how this journey's been, right? So when we started live streaming like in May or something, every single day, we've obviously improved. Um, we've obviously improved a lot. I think I'm trading the best I ever have currently, to be honest. Just the improvements have been so good. The model's good. Everything's good. I was going back and I was looking at my old trading videos. Trade before or after news. Do we have 10 a.m. news? We don't have 10 a.m. news, do we? I'll be trading before. I'm not gonna wait till Powell speak. I'm not trading in PM session. No way. What do I think about Bitcoin? It's bullish until proven otherwise, brother. 10/3/11, yeah. So hopefully a good silver bullet or something. So that being said, today I looked back and I feel like I started to look at too many things on the charts. Nope, I didn't invest in. I don't use crypto. I have been adding too many things on the chart. I noticed I keep marking out all the new day opening gaps and I haven't really been using them. I like marking out the current new day opening gap. That's something I've always done. So let's keep doing that. So this is where we opened today, and this is where we closed yesterday. So let's mark that up for sure. I like marking out the regular trading hours gap. So let's keep doing that. In the past, I don't know who longs this NQ yet. 8:30 manipulation, 9:30 expansion. I don't remember what 8:30 did. We didn't really manipulate at 8:30. I guess possible, but can you please explain why you're bullish? I'm not bullish. I'm bearish. I'm leaning towards shorts. But what I'm expecting today, someone asked what's my bias. My bias today is seek and destroy, bro. I think we're gonna keep a range like this. I think we can possibly come up here from this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, OTE, discount, whatever. Come up, take out the equal highs, and then I don't expect it to keep going. I expect it just to come right back down and take out these lows. This is kind of my drawn liquidity for today. Previous day lows. Someone said I thought 8:30 was a manipulation, but it could be like 8:30 manipulation. Yeah, it's possible, but to me, it's not enough clean enough manipulation. You know, it's also a seek and destroy condition, so every leg can be viewed as a manipulation. Like this could have been manipulation. The uppers equal lows on the daily charts. So we'll wait and see. For those of you who are with me from the beginning, maybe like Saravan, maybe Adam would know, Money Glitch, Guaro for sure. We used to like literally, bro. Like I feel like I kind of fell off doing this. I used to literally like count candles. Like I'm not even joking. I would literally say, and I have videos of this on my Instagram because I post every single thing on my Instagram. I appreciate the bros, Remus. I would literally say like, okay, this is gonna happen, and then this, and then we're gonna get an SMT here, and then if we get a breaker, like I'll go long, and that'll like exactly happen. Like we would literally count candles, or we'd say right now this candle's gonna do this, next candle this, and then I'll take the entry on the third candle. That's a level of precision. Why does it sound weird when I'm saying it? Precision. That's a level of precision that I feel like I can achieve. Bias is bearish. What's up, JW? I'm good, brother. So we're gonna lock in. We're gonna actually focus on reading the candles every day. I mean, we do read the candles, but like we'll focus like minute by minute. We're not gonna try and read it too much, but minute by minute. And what's gonna help me with that is my friend who's on the call right now. I'm gonna put on my headphones. What's up, bro? Hey, you need him the most, eh? This guy's not here. This guy's not here when you need him the most. But Hem, you there?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
We're gonna count candles today.
We're counting candles? Whose birthday is it?
Bro, what? Talking about the candlesticks. We're gonna count these candles and predict candle by candle. What's up, Kookie? Max, how much can you win? How much can you have in Top Step? 750K, I think. Will Doge reach 0.5 by tomorrow? A lot of people will be trading that.
Bro, these are your chart colors?
Yeah, we're running this.
This is what you came up with? Oh,
Bro, it's
man.
literally impossible to try and predict this. Okay, monthly manipulation leg. I think we can get to 0.5, to be honest. This looks pretty
What
clean.
the hell is that candle?
This is Doge. You trading on funded? Yes, sir. Good morning, EK. Bro, I made a short from 4 Refugee and GBP JPY. Can you analyze it once? Sure, brother. Where are you gonna send it on? Yo, by the way, the short we called out on Euro JPY. Wait, sorry. Wait, is it Euro JPY? Right here, yeah, we called out this short. I mean, it played out pretty nice. It's still in progress though. Obviously, okay, that's the wrong way, but when the buy FEG forms, does it have to go up after it re-hits the FEG, or could it hit down? What do you mean? You talking about the third candle? It can go either or. The AJ trade test patience. Yeah, I know, Sarvan, I know. Can you look at Maya Solana on CoinMarketCap? Sure, bro. You know what? Sure. You asked like so professionally. Can I even look at it on this? I'm a noob. You have to go on a separate website, right? Bro, listen, honestly, it's probably gonna keep if it's pumping and it's all-time highs, it's gonna probably keep going until okay, you know what? We'll do it. I feel bad now. Let's do it. Whatever. Maya, Solana.
Yo, you should keep the TikTok chat over your cam.
Yeah, do you guys want me to keep the chat here? I'll ask the people on TikTok and YouTube. You take live trading? Yep, I'll be here, brother. We up on
Set up
DJ. Odyssey? Odyssey?
yeah.
GBP, JPY? Got you. All right, coin market cap. You want me to look at? I'll do this for you. Usually I don't do this, but I'll fuck it. Let's just see. Maybe it's readable. You said Maya, Solana. How do you? Is it this? Is it this one? Maya protocol? Oh, Maya Sol. Okay. It looks bullish.
Good analysis, bro. Good analysis.
Probably gonna keep going up, bro.
Good job, bro.
You want me to look high much? It's literally impossible, but there's no data.
Looks bullish. Nice one, bro. No fucking shit.
Bro, it's been 1 week. Well, this candle doesn't even have a low. Just open. Oh, it does. It does. Now you're good. Yeah. Check them charts, Papa. I got out. I get out and buy another Papa chart. Bro, what am I doing?
Looks
I know.
crazy on the stream.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I need to get like headphones or something. Another way to hear. I mean, I'm not even wearing headphones, but like earphones or something.
Bro, my eyes are hurting bare.
TikTok chat looks good there. Okay, seems like people want the TikTok chat there. XPX is moving. Okay, it's 9:30 open. We're pumping. Let's look at the opening range gap. Small ass opening range gap. Someone said Euro JPY bearish, bro. We called out this short. I still think it's gonna play out from the daily fair value gap. Someone said JBP JPY. I got you, Guav. You said JBP JPY. Let's do this quickly. Oh, this is bad. It's not the cleanest. I remember I was looking for a long-term short here, but it just didn't form. What was I waiting for?
Amir, remember what you literally told me today?
Hmm.
I mean, yesterday, bro. Look at the 9:30 candle that just formed. There's no wick at the bottom of the candle. Does that not mean that's
It's
withdrawal liquid? Yeah.
gonna come back. Yeah, it'll come back most likely. All right. Euro JPY, JPY, 4-hour FEG short. It's not bad, but the price action is so choppy. I was talking about this 4-hour. We didn't take out any real buy side. If you get a strong reaction on like the 5 or 15 minute, then sure, Guarav. But in my opinion, it's not the best price action. Look at the daily candlestick. It's 50-50. Last thing we did was take out daily sell side. We have no imbalance. So in my opinion, if price is going to go up, why is it going up here? Just ask yourself. If there's no imbalance here, there's only buy side. So if it's going to go up, the fact that it's swept, in my opinion, it's bullish, you know? Because what else is it going up here for? There's no imbalance here. There's no inefficiency. So, all right, let's lock in on NASDAQ. How can I be a part of this? You're a part of this right now, bro. No trade on IQ today? Nah, if we get a setup, we'll take it.
Why'd you move the chat?
Good. I don't want to. I have to keep doing this then. But I have YouTube on left, thing on right. It's impossible to read them both. What is your opinion about footprint chart? Nah, I don't really care about that.
Yo, you can what's it called, bro? You can pop out chat. Press on the 3 dots on YouTube chat, and pop it out. You can move it to your screen as well.
Oh, I can? No, that's too. Nah, that's too hectic. Then I'm gonna have two big ass chats. Why is this green box still here? Oh wait. Okay. Mark out. Oh, it marks it out for me. See, so New York opens there marked out, and midnight opens marked out. This week was shit. Indeed, bro. This week was really shit. This week was really shit. Okay. So we're looking for a run on buy side. Oh, we actually tapped the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So 15-minute bearish fair value gap. It's shortable from here for sure. Maybe with an SMT 930 due to swing model. I'd still want to see the buy side get taken though. If we get a bearish fair value gap and an inversion here though, I don't mind shorting it. Just manipulation and then back into the range. 930 due to swing model. Data highs? Nope, I don't think so. Data highs? Oh, data highs, yes. Wait, where is data high? Oh, no, it didn't. I mean, data high sucks. It's like not even a wick, but. Hi, where are you from? GTA, Toronto. So we came back. Notice we put the 930 wick there. If we get the inversion, I would need a bearish fair value up. I wouldn't just take the inversion personally. Support is not that good. And we have good news at 10, so hopefully this doesn't go down now and we get more higher prices. We came down, put the wick into the volume imbalance at 930. Even Hemi called that one. But Hemi, if you have any questions about the candles, just ask. Like if you think something's gonna happen, or just say it. Because I bet you, like people in the chat are probably thinking the exact same thing as you. We have another flat body candle. Someone said I'm bearish until what is yeah, just ask question. Someone says what is time distortion? Time distortion is when the market waits. So for example, right here. You see all this? This is literally all time distortion right here. This is time distortion. Let's make it simple for your eyes. Let's just use this little price action. So price does, right, like 4 things you can say. Why are we consolidating right here? The only reason that we are consolidating right here is because we're waiting for 830 to make a move. That's it. So what is this period called? It's called time distortion. Understanding when the price will move, avoiding time distortion, or finding a model around it is key, you know? Okay, so we're going up for the buy side. A lot of movement pre-market?
Yeah.
This is pre-market.
What's 8:30 to 9:30? I thought 8:30 is before.
8:30 like starts the kill zone, and then 9:30 is the New York session open. But technically the
9:30, bro, it's fucking crazy moves, bro.
Yeah, usually there is 8:30 because 8:30 is like that's when the volatility starts. This is 8:30 to 9:30. But you can see it got choppy here. So like AMD model right here we're looking at. So consolidation pre-market, manipulation, and then we'll look for a move back. What's up, Trevor?
Currently channel.
That's late. Boris is my YouTube chat. Bot. It is normal for my NAS to be different price. If you're trading NAS 100, it'll be different, brother. Yeah. Who's in a call with you? I'm in a call with my friend who's learning how to trade, and he is gonna be like, I'm in a call with my friend who's learning how to trade. He's gonna be asking questions and interacting. So I'm kind of like, I'm here to like show him how I read price, you know? Can you explain market structure shift? Yeah, brother, it's really simple. You ready? It's basically displacement. What are you trading? We're trading NASDAQ. It's like no good examples because price is so choppy here. Okay, let's right here. You see this? We have a high here. So this is price on this price leg. It went like this. The market structure shift happens right here. When we aggressively come above this high, the market was going down. So see down, down, and then we get displacement right above the old high. That's a market structure shift. At any time frame, the key is it needs to be strong displacement. Okay, ES is going lower, Nasdaq's going higher. Not a good price action right now. Is he a beginner? Yeah. Yeah. Kind of. Not like beginner. Like he kind of knows some ICT concepts here and there. Isn't a high just a count down? Okay. A high is when there's like a triangle formation here, like high, swing high. So like, what's up here?
Right there, that black candle at the top. That's swing high.
Yeah, all of these are just swing highs right here. There's liquidity resting above all these highs. Fuck, I have to delete them individually. So we're rejecting off the 15-minute fair value gap still. If we took out the buy side there, I would not mind shorts. ES is rejecting aggressively. You trade crypto too now. What signal are you waiting to enter short? Are you self-taught or going to courses? Taught from ICT on YouTube. Can you check gold? You're gonna have to, gold 1 hour. I'll check very quickly, bro. It's so already bearish. Looks like we're forming a bullish breaker. Isn't this from the monthly fair value gap? I'd be cautious because we're in the monthly fair value gap. So it's hard to say. If we get a bullish breaker here, it could be higher prices. If we liquidity sweep and go lower, so if we reject off this level, yeah, you could look for a short, I guess, but just know that we're in the monthly, so it's never going to be super clean. Here's your first presentation fair value gap.
Have you ever tried your model on Forex?
Yeah. It's not bad. The Forex is just the timings are kind of different sometimes.
More in
And
your favor or more
nah, it's not like that. It's not really like that. The Forex is just not as volatile sometimes. So like you'll just like it'll be a lot like small moves. See how like quickly it came up here? Like for Forex, that would take like 20 minutes sometimes, or 30 minutes, like sometimes. We invert first presentation, right? Then we came back, tapped it, and now it looks like we're gonna come for the sell side. The only reason we're not going short is ES already took the sell side. So this is a valid short. We're rejected off the 15-minute fair value gap.
Why is NQ lagging so much?
So otherwise we would short this 930 Judas swing model. He rejected off midnight open and 930 open, came up into the 15-minute fair value gap, into this 1-minute fair value gap formed by PPI, which is a part of my PPI protocol model. Respected the new day opening gap perfectly. Everything is aligned except one thing, and that's the fact that ES is already taken the sell side here. So it's just not clean. What's your candle time? It's I'm looking at the 1-minute chart right now. We took data highs and inversed. Oh yeah, we did take data highs. Nice. Yep. And I would short this, but the fact that ES is already there, and I already said big in the stream, I'm expecting ranging conditions. So why would I short this after range low was taken? That's just not a good trade. We do have the previous day low still open, so we'll mark that out on ES as well. So I think it's possible we can get there all the way here, but yeah, it's a good short. It's not a bad short at all. TGR strategy, it's not my style. Yep, the 4-hour reclaimed bearish fair value gaps there. No, it's a good short for sure. That would have been your TP. That's where I would have closed. No, it's true.
Remember that trade where you were like,
Yeah.
bro, that's my TP? I'm a pussy. And then the price market went down all the way.
Yeah, I remember.
This is what this
So that could have been 2.4 hour. I'm sure a lot of people took this trade. This is a good trade. This is short. Yeah.
Yo, why did he put a plus sign on the FEG? What's a plus FEG?
Bullish FED. Bullish FEG.
Okay.
Take the FIB tool, use 930's up wick and never long until up close candle 0.5 level. That sounds very good, bro. But no offense, I can't just take your word for it. I've never tested that, so I'm not really gonna use that. But if it works for you, brother, keep it up. You took a long, but exited the first wick of the Judas?
That's crazy.
Oh, you exited right here? Yeah, that's where if I took a long there, I would have closed it there too. I don't mind taking a short here though. I mean a long. After taking the sell side. 15-minute fair value gap. We do have more sell side. But I wouldn't be surprised if we left those relative equal lows. Playing the range, just playing the range. But we'd have to inverse this, come up and take the full relative equal. Like we left relative equal highs still.
Yo, Mir, is the fib tool different from that thing you told me last night?
Fib tool is this one.
You know that
So
thing that's
this is
like
the fib tool, but this is the one when someone says fib, they're talking about this one. The 6.18, 0.705, 0.86. That's like Fibonacci retracement.
Which one was the one you were telling me last night?
Standard deviations.
Yeah, that one.
So let's look at the standard deviations from here. So if this is your manipulation leg, we hit -1, -2 to -2.5 aligns really nicely with here. Should reverse so quick. That was a really quick reversal. Yeah, I mean that was, in hindsight, we obviously could have taken that. It's just ES already took the sell side, so it's just not, I've seen it too many times where ES takes the sell side, reverses. But now it's starting to look like, and this is your order block, you can take this continuation. Let me sign in the Trade Evade account. Like those were honestly some good trade opportunities that just went by, but it's okay. You don't need to be a part of every trade. This order block will probably deliver lower. When the order block forms like this, it's just so classic. Like it, just like the representation of how it formed, the large body, small wicks with the fair value gap right above that's already tapped in. This is the order block that's gonna deliver lower prices, bro. And there you can see it now too. It's gonna come. It's gonna come here. -2 to -2.5, previous day low with relative equal lows. This is like, bro, this is what price action used to look like all the time, bro. Look at the breaker here, man. Just perfect delivery. Everything delivers almost as it's supposed to. That's your unicorn entry right there. So you could have taken this. It's so weird seeing price action like this. Like I'm almost not used to it anymore. Like literally, almost not even used to it. I would just buy a funded account, folks. You can do it for like $100, and then you can make as much as you want. No, his name's folks. It's so weird seeing price like that. I wasn't ready for such a nice move. I was genuinely expecting consolidation, like, every other day. This this fair value gap breaker OB would have been all good. Juicy seems to have really good. Yeah, he does have really good executions. Does Juicy does live stream or no? Going straight to TP, yeah. Such a nice move, man. Such a nice move. And instead of leave it the whole leg, it's -1. It all aligns perfectly. You think you're trading on demo? It's not that. I don't trust people who live stream because you hop on a call with me, Gatie. Abdul, what makes you think you're special, bro? Why would I hop on a call with you?
Why you
Nah, I'm just saying, bro. Like, you know how many people ask me to hop on a call? I've maybe seen like what 10 texts from you, bro.
Yo, that's fucking jokes.
Yeah, I'm gonna be straight up. Like we're not even that close right now. Like maybe if we were closer, but
damn, bro.
There's your propulsion block, and it's gonna deliver. Like this is beautiful, man. This is what price action used to look like back in the day, and we used to catch banger trades, bro. Like no retracement, no choppiness. What is this beauty? You haven't seen, and then you just get a beautiful 4R trade from our hypothetical entry there. So nice. This guy said, "Nah, it's fine." I don't mean it like in a bad way. I just mean so many people ask me, "You're in?" No, we didn't get in. We didn't get in.
Bro, you crushed that guy's dreams, bro.
There is one mistake though we made. Even though ES took the sell side, look how much more bearish Nasdaq is. It's just the price action here is higher on ES. Why? Why what? You think a short be valid now to equal lows? Nah. It's gonna take previous day low, and then from there you got to reevaluate. In my opinion, back up. Like I'm potentially viewing this now that we got a clean leg like this, a potential like Thursday reversal. No entry. Patience. No, honestly, I just didn't expect it to be this clean, bro. Juicy probably took that short, bro. He probably did. This is a clean entry right here. The inversion, clean inversion BPR. Tap back in. And yeah. The only reason I didn't take this trade, the biggest reason, because I don't understand, it's just too clean. It's never been this clean for so long. So I'm hesitant to take a trade this early when you have like 10 a.m. news and stuff coming. You on Twitter? Yeah, I don't really post on Twitter much. YouTube, Discord. When should I throw into Doge? I don't know, bro. I don't really do crypto. You want to wait for 10 a.m.? Hesitated? Yeah. Well, we called out the shorts. We pretty much called out all the candles today. We literally said it was going to come up, take the buy side. Fell short of this buy side. That is true. But we did say it could just reject off the 15-minute fair value gap, which it did. And just clean 930 Judas swing model. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Look at this. This is my AMD model number 1. Tell me this shit doesn't look exactly like what happened today. Consolidation, consolidation. Leg up, boom. Higher time frame PD ray. Inversion BPR. I literally wrote the PD ray. That's your inversion BPR. New York Open. Look at it. Look where I marked out New York Open. Right there. Right there, right there. Same thing. And then boom.
Crazy.
Clear drawn liquidity. I put this drawn liquidity before I even went. I put the drawn liquidity yesterday, bro. Previous day low, relative equal lows. We could potentially get a second stage here. And we might take this. If we take out this high and then break down again, assuming the price action stays clean.
Yo, when was the last time you took a trade before 10 a.m.?
Oh, I know. I do it all the time. Last time, I don't know. Nothing. Just usually 9:30 to 10 is so choppy, bro. Like, just like this. The whole, and then something. What's your bias? I think it's going to come here and then probably go up. We have the SMT. I still want to see the high get taken. If we break lower, we can take a short to previous day low.
But remember ICT's video of saying like when you're so sure of price getting drawn to a certain liquidity and it just doesn't it stops right before and then just
Yeah,
goes the complete
it
opposite.
definitely could happen, you know. But if it gives like an inversion here or something, then I'm willing to bet that it will happen.
Look at that blue candle. I mean, bullish candle.
What if we just soup this high and just enter short now? I was 8% on Combine and bought a new back to break even. Nice, bro. How many hours we studied ICT? Bro's asking me in hours. Bro, ask me in weeks or months or days. Like I said, hours. If we get an inversion here,
How many hours?
that's like I did it in like one day. Yeah, 3 hours, bro. Nah, bro. Like 8 hours a day for like the last year.
He doesn't even have all his videos are like 3 hours long, no?
Not all of them, but yeah. The relative equal highs here. And I marked out the buy side level as well. Keep in mind we're in the daily bit, but I'm happy to short this. I feel like this is a fake long. I think this is a fake long. And honestly, if I like, I don't know, if I was in the mood or something, I would have just turtle souped this. Like I would be in short stop loss right there. But I'll wait for an inversion. It's not the time on my accounts to get aggressive, you know. Speaking of the accounts, let's open them up. Totally forgot to. Gonna inverse clean. If ES gives the inversion, we're just gonna sell short here. The risk reward is so bad, but this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna enter short, put the stop loss here, and instead of putting the TP here, we're just gonna put it at 2R and just hope. And we'll break even after.
Yo, market maker join the chat, bro. Good morning, Amir. This is bullish for now. Clear bullish SMT for now.
See, definitely not. I called out the fake All right, we're in shorts, but why didn't it sell? No. Yo. Bro, what? Oh my god, I'm on NQ. All right, I'm fucking shit. What's the stop loss on this? 34, 600. That's too much. Let's see if it's too late. I entered on the funded though. I'm in on the funded. In on the funded. If you didn't get the entry here, just leave it. Unless it comes back if you have. You got the entry?
Yeah.
All right, we missed the entry there. I'll show you guys on the funded what it looks like. I was on the wrong chart, so I didn't. Are you fucking kidding me? I took it on the practice account and not the actual funded. Whatever. Let's see if it plays. You know, we can take this fair value gap though. Let me close this and take the fair value gap. It's not even too late. Oh, why does it say sell one? Oh my god, we're not signed in. I'm gonna short this. As soon as it gives me a wick, I'm shorting. As soon as it gives me a wick, I'm shorting. Alright, we're in shorts. What?
Yeah, that retracement off the wick was fucking crazy.
I'm in shorts on the funded now. For real this time. I should have set up my accounts better. Bro, why is this so whack? I have to sign out here. Can't believe we actually made it.
That's not good.
I'll still take this. No, it's still valid. I'm gonna wait for it to leave with the same fill.
You know what that looked like? That looked like a fake market structure shift, and now it's gonna double fake market structure shift.
Oh, double fake method.
Double fake, but it's not even gonna come down for the rest of the day. Watch it never hit that line.
I doubt it's short to my reverse as swept sell side. Being this close to the daily lows, I don't know. But maybe. It fell short yesterday, could fall short again today. If we have an uptrend at 15-minute, which liquidity you're targeting if you no SMT, no trade, that's good. Yes, looks bearish. Let's see if it touches the high. So what I'm looking at now is the high of this. 50% and then the high. 50% has been respected so far. The high is the last place. If we get a close below here, I'm gonna enter on this and then put the stop loss at the high there. Yep, it's likely to go lower. Your risk reward is bad. I know, which is why we're gonna break even here and then look for the 2R. All right, we're just gonna short this. We could get souped at the high. Technically, the real valid stop loss is here, but we'll leave it here. You're in a bullish IPG though? No, it's a bearish IPG. What bullish IPG?
Kind of.
Like it might soup this high and then go. In which case we'll just re-enter if it does this. Good. ES looks good. It's awakening. Took the high. So there it is. We tapped the high, the fair value gap. So this is where you would expect like an immediate reaction lower. Like it should, if it's gonna go lower, it'll touch this and then drop right after. So that's what I'm looking for right now. We're still closing inside the fair value gap. Everything was so clean, but we enter the market. I swear if it just goes sideways, it'll actually be funny at this point. You know, we could actually trail the stop here because if it does take out this high, it'll most likely soup this high. There's that rollover. I'd want to see like quick candles now. It shouldn't start to wick or anything. It doesn't have any reason to go up besides to take the buy side. But the TP on the black line. I'm going to trail my stop to this black line and then let the rest of this go. Yeah, I would just wick back. Yeah, it's weak. I'm going to put the stop here, man.
Okay.
It covers the bear shorter block. Just retapping. Price action not good. I mean, it was really good. I still think it goes lower here, but we'll see what happens. So reading the candles, we're consolidating. In my opinion, looks like we're waiting for 10 a.m. So this is why this trade becomes a little bit like not that clean because 10 a.m. now, if it's gonna be a bearish candle, it could just do this, you know? Although I think it's gonna be a bullish candle, so in this case, it's in our favor. So 10 a.m. open, consolidate, take previous day low, reverse, take out the relative equal highs, and we'll look for the long as well. 10 a.m. right there. So like we're looking for 10 a.m. to dump. You have the same trade on. Spot on. Yep, that's exactly what I'm waiting for. Yep. You know what? It's not good risk to reward, but just TP at the low there. Or just you know what's gonna like when if it comes here, just put your stop there, you know? You get what I'm saying? We just put in an SMT. Yeah, it's not a good sign. It should have continued there. The fact that it didn't continue shows weakness. Be really surprised if we don't take that low. Look at that perfect tapped in. Yeah, I'd be pretty surprised if we don't take the low. What's an SMT? It's right here. But I like the stop loss. Realistically, we could get a lower stop loss. I'm not. That ain't SMT. Yeah, it is. Using top step. Oh, did Myso say something and we missed it? Yeah, for the SMT to be valid, but you still can't say it's not a SMT. One asset put a lower low, one didn't. You know? Look at it rejecting off 10 a.m. That's what you want to see. That doesn't matter low. Smart money trap. Oh, you're good. You're good, Mitchell. No, you're good, bro. You're good. Have you seen Mark Ductor's psychology series? I've seen some of like I read like a little bit of the pages, some of the stuff on his psychology. Why when you filled an order and price is consolidating? I don't know. I don't know, bro. I'm just here to follow my rules. I'm using Top Step and my fund in futures. See how choppy it gets when we enter, man? We're using 50K accounts. So here, do you get what to do when it comes to here? If it comes,
Yeah. Add 17 positions. When it reaches there, it confirms my bias to go to even lower.
It was so clean here. Got a nice
I don't know.
retracement. Took the buy side.
At least it was clean at one point, you know.
At least we saw the glimpse of what it could be, you know. The longer this takes, the more and more like less probable, I guess, you know.
This guy put 1003 again.
Someone said 1003.
Same guy from last time.
Last time you said at 1003 it had a pretty big candle.
Yeah.
Just put TP at 50-minute FEG below the lows. I'm gonna trail the stop when it takes the lows. Because it might be just a straight soup. But that's not a bad TP, brother.
Bro, usually, I mean, remember when we were taking prices
0.5
more
here.
often?
Yeah, I like
Bro,
this.
1009 was a kill time for us.
Like every time you get a big body, you just get like a little bit excited. Like not saying like, oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, but like, you know, like a little bit, and you get a fucking wick at the end. Someone did say 1003. I don't like when the marking doesn't move. I tend to buy. Yeah, I'm probably gonna look for a long from after here. 10 a.m. power of 3, silver bullet long. Bro, like why does it have to undo every move? Okay, there is a volume imbalance here. We'll see if that can deliver lower price.
Bro, today's 1009. Trust. 1009 to 1014. That's a big move.
That's a strong candle. Really strong
Yeah,
candle.
I wonder if there's people who trade strictly like that. They're like, oh, like 1010 is coming. I'm setting up my move right now.
Maybe. Came back 10 a.m. Touched the volume imbalance. That candle doesn't have a low on ES, so I expect it to go back down there. I appreciate the roses, Ramus. So I do expect it to go back down there. Will it take my stop before? My stop's pretty safe. Like we formed a 15-minute OB here, maybe, is what I'm saying.
2135 buy.
Gonna take this high, put in an SMT maybe. That's not good. You wouldn't want to see that. Because that means we would be getting souped. And media rebalance. That's not good. Someone said go rewatch ICT's videos? No. Oh, you're talking to someone else in the chat? Not good trade. Lol. Well, hope you didn't take it then, brother. After what price? Hey, bro, that was ST. Why don't we go higher then? Bro, I didn't say price is gonna go higher now. I said we put in an SMT. You know? Today price is shit. Yeah, I know, right, Mitchell? You know? No blood. Someone said price is going up. Good day, made 1.7. Nice. Any advice just about a 5K challenge? Manage your risk, brother, and that'll take you to TP. If we get a closure below here, high, low, higher, high, lower, low, we should get a clean run then. This is now intermediate term high here. Put your stop loss here.
My stop loss is there.
Failed to make the OB.
You have such a better fill than me? Jesus.
I got the same fill you on the funded, so don't worry. Probably worse than you, actually. Do you use, yep, of course. Use the Forex candle every day. See if we can reuse this volume imbalance to go lower. MNQ is slow game. Just do NQ. It's the exact same chart, bro. What are you talking about? Just gonna walk away, then come back.
Your reward.
Who was the second voice? We're in a Discord call with my friend who's learning how to trade. God, he always takes the chop, man. I don't know, man. It always chops when I enter. Alright, looks like we're getting out here. It's gonna put in an SMT here, and then we'll look for a re-entry. I think it'll go up too, but not before coming here. I think it'll come here. Yep, ES took the low again. This should be out of the trade here. Yeah, we're out of the trade. Minus 90 on the funded, minus 40 on the eval. How does that make sense? Oh, minus 90 on both.
You had to put it on the eval.
I'll look for a. I'm gonna look for a re-entry here. If it gives an inversion here, we'll look for a re-entry. This is breaker mitigate. We didn't take enough sell side for me. When we did take this sell side, we rejected so nicely. Left the relative equal lows again. There is a breaker mitigation here. Silver bullet. Just don't think it's gonna go up yet. No. Don't think it's gonna go up. Oh, we got the short. Nope, we got stopped. You taking trades? One loss. We souped this high. Like maybe he would have been a good break even, but so hindsight. Took my trade here. Took my trade here. We didn't get the entry here.
You know, this guy said, Gaddy, no offense, but I think you sometimes overcomplicate things.
Maybe, bro. Why do you think so, bro?
Honestly, I agree with him.
Maybe, bro. I still think we go previously low. If we get the inversion here, we'll go short again. This time we can just get 2 risk to reward. No, it's still valid. If we form a bearish fair value gap here, that's really good.
I have a question for you.
Huh.
So in the market, right? Let's just say that there's 3 PD rays that form in like that could help form your trade. Does that mean they're all valid for the position of like what you want to do? Meaning that like if there's a bullish FVG, a bullish breaker, whatever, like is it now like does that indicate a bullish trade? Or like how many PD rays does it take to make a trade valid is what I'm asking.
Right, depends who you are. Like for me, just one. I only need one. We take sell side, and I'm bullish. We have an inversion, so I guess 2. Like, because taking a low is that's a PD rate too. Like take like this low. If we take this low, for example, or let's say this high, we took this high. That's 1 PD rate being used right there. Like you're rejecting off that high, so that's 1.
Use 1 PD ray.
Two is the inversion. If we get the inversion, and then 3. Like I don't. There's no 3 here. It would form after usually. But I just need. So I guess to. I'm not even in a trade right now, bro. Oh, if I take it, who is that? I'm gonna call my friend who's learning how to trade. His name's Hammy. Market is not moving good, guys. Good to be out. 10,
What if
11.
you had to draw on liquidity and only use 1 PD ray, never looked at anything else? Like what if you're like, oh shit, bearish FEG taking this right now, no other decision.
Yeah, you can, but sometimes there's no bearish FEG. You gotta look for something else. Like that's how I do it. I'm not gonna miss a move just because we didn't form a bearish FEG, but I still think it's gonna go down. You know, like I never understood that part.
What about a breaker?
Breaker is the strongest PD ray.
Like right now, if you look at I mean, this is hindsight, but you see, where is that? 934. Because you would not have just taken the short after past that mark, or sorry, I guess it would have been the low. The 932 would have been the confirmation. No.
Give me one sec. Yeah, a lot of people have been complaining about price tag. I mean, it is choppy right now. Again, as soon as we enter, it's pretty choppy, but it's Nasdaq. Honestly, it would be smart not to trade due to Powell speaking later. Yep, if you don't want to trade, bro, don't trade. I don't like the mark right now. I've been in this position too long. This will be our short,
There's
Meher.
a lot of concepts and teachings, and I think what you're doing is putting them all together.
Meher, short this if you want to. I'm gonna short this. Took the inversion there. Oh no, can you explain your thoughts or reason behind the short here? We came up, took the high. Well, obviously gonna get stopped out now, it looks like, but we came up, took the high. We have the equal lows here still. That was the fastest stop out I've ever had, probably. Why stop loss there? Because it shouldn't re-inverse this fair value gap if it's gonna play out. So we got the inversion there. That's why I took the short. Took the high, rejected. Now we're pumping. That was the fastest stop loss ever, yeah. Wrong stop loss. That's where I put my stop loss for the inversion.
10-14.
Go long, trust me. Not gonna go long now. We're just gonna wait now till like 10:30. Yusuf knows what's up because you entered too choppy. Maybe too choppy. Yeah, very new to training too. What you're command watching and watching TGI bootcamp. I'd watch ICT. Why don't you wait for confirmation? This is my confirmation. The inversion for value gap right there. I mean, I still think it's gonna go lower, but we'll have to see. We'll just have to wait. Wait until it takes the equal lows on the 4-hour chart. Okay, too many arrays being disrespected, I would call it. Yeah, too many arrays are being disrespected, you're right. Came right back up and re-inversed the fair value gap. Should have put stop loss on the previous high. No, I put my stop loss there. Wait for the first 1 minute candle to close. I did wait for this candle to close. It will depend. We won't always get a reversal. You are forcing trade. I'm just following my model, brother. Should have put a stop loss previous high. No, I put it there on the inversion. It's a clear long. I hope you're in longs then, brother. Hello, bro. You good? You are ICT fair value gap? What does that mean? Easy longs? Maybe. I don't think it's going to go up personally, but I mean, we'll just see now. There's no point taking another trade. We just wait. %10% of trading is confidence, 9% psychology. For sure, bro. Is your win limit like 30? Usually I average around 60. If y'all long, the price won't lose quick. We did form a bullish fair value gap in the re-inversion there. Yeah, ideally there is a stronger close, you're right. Yes, I do fair value gap. The reason this isn't a rush trade is because it's still the same trade as before. Like we got stopped out here because we were trying to get good risk to reward, but the trade was never invalidated. Note the bearish fair value gap never got invalidated here. Note the bearish fair value gap here. Okay, you got a couple of ticks right there, but ES still respected. So the short has never been invalidated yet, you know? Sure, this inversion got immediately, but that's just choppy price action, you know? That's not okay, price is for sure going up. This is just Mohawk, you know? It's just not delivering clean. It's not delivering clean. Yep, I'm almost usually on the 1 minute. That is one thing, you know, we could have looked at the other time frames and just been like, yeah, there's not much here. That a 15-minute bearish? We do have a 10-minute up there. It's just, you know, time distortion, I guess. Why this shit, PA? I don't know. What did you do to learn what you know? I learned from ICT on YouTube. This might be time distortion. Yep, we just said it. Same time, brother.
I prayed for knowledge every day.
Like it's just choppy, you know? It's just choppy. What's your checklist? Depends on which entry model. I have multiple. I got multiple. Someone said, Wallah, this is not moving. It was so nice here, man. It was so nice here. This goes into straight choppiness when we enter.
I have another question. You said breaker is the strongest PDA, right?
Yeah.
Is there like at any point can anything be more strong? Like
just stacked confluences. Like you have a breaker aligned with a fair value gap, order block, and premium of a higher time frame fair value with an SMT. Like you can always just stack confluences.
And it makes the trade more.
Yeah, it's stack confluences. Yeah. Are you Arab? Yeah, I'm Arab. How long you been in a losing streak? It's been quite a bit, bro. It's been quite a bit. Like this, I've been in drawdown this since I got these accounts funded, and In terms of losing streak, I think it's like 4 now or 5. I think it's 4. Can you show a breaker? There's no breaker here. You're profitable. And if you look at the last 200 trades, yeah. Why does the trade give me like a chance to target liquidity for example, but then it always
I mean,
anyways
there's
hits
a
my
breaker.
CP.
Oh shit, that's an OB. Never mind. Sorry.
Yeah, there's no clean breaker here. Like this is consolidation. This is consolidation. OBs are good, but everything I don't like about OBs is there's like just missing information from ICT. Like he doesn't teach everything about OBs. Like we knew it's gonna come here. I still think it's gonna go there.
That's
Just
fair.
had to wick us out first. Yeah, we'll see. Why breaker blocks work? Yeah, the idea of the breaker block is it literally takes out liquidity and then shifts structure. The breaker block is like almost a model in itself. Long or hold? I've been bearish this whole time. I never mentioned longs until after this level. You understand? I mean, I don't know. It hit my stop loss twice today before dumping. So I feel you.
Higher, lower, low.
There it is. That's TP. All those people saying like, oh, it's so obvious it's going up, blah blah blah. No. It was going down. It just stopped us out twice before.
Making note. That's so dumb.
Like it's just this has been happening. Stop loss was too tight. I wouldn't say so, man. That's a clean inversion BPR. Stop loss was at the order block, came up. I guess we could have put it at this high, but then at what point? The only true valid stop loss is like right here. Because we shouldn't inverse this fair value gap.
No, shit just won't stop going down, bro.
Yeah. It's been happening like every time. This is the 6th day in a row now where we got stopped and it took TP like shortly after.
Bro,
And we got stopped in consolidations.
Who is that?
There's no one.
Bro,
I told them about the team. I know. I told them about the team and shit.
Okay. That's it. How does he know that?
At least you know where price wants to go. We're really good at predicting price, man. We're really good at predicting price. I marked out this inversion. It played out. We just get wicked out, you know. Are you Palestinian? No.
Wait for the 1018. No way he called it out again, right?
Yeah, but he also called the other ones that just didn't work.
1011, 1003, 1018. Why?
I don't know. This guy's different, bro.
That's so weird. Like, why are you calling the actual time?
Wicks to the damage? Yeah. You're right. Another day. Let's screenshot this so the journal knows. It took TP right after. No, I think it goes up now. I think it goes up. This has been happening to me bro, I'm not joking. We're 6 for 6 now. 6 for 6 of entering, get consolidated out, and then maybe it is bad stop loss placement, but like there's just no way you're putting your stop loss here. What the fuck is this trade, bro? And in good price action, it doesn't do this. In algorithmic price action with no time distortion, it just taps in and goes. You know, there's no real way. Anyway, let's focus on the candles here. I'm down to do one more. Because we still have we still lost like pretty low risk on those ones. Yep, you could have put your stop loss here. What's up?
Well, I'm gonna read that for you.
Yeah, where did we put the stop? We put it right here. I put the stop loss to cover the order block high. And then we put in the intermediate term high, got souped here. Formed a bullish fair value gap, entered on the inversion, put the stop loss inversion high. Stopped out again. I guess we could have put it here and it would have been valid maybe.
Yo, is there any world you see that what candle is that? Let me read it one second.
Your SL, that's why. The thing is though, like there's no real valid. The only true valid stop loss here, the only true one, you could argue it's this one, intermediate term. It's this one, I guess. Yeah, you'd have to put it there. But even then, this could get souped if it's gonna time distortion. This could get souped as long as it doesn't inverse this. You also have a fair value gap here, so there isn't no real true like your real true stop loss is gonna be like all the way up here. There's no way to determine whether this is gonna get souped or not. I mean, that's the whole point of trading, you know? That's no, it's not greedy. It's not greedy. It's like if this was no time distortion, you expect continuation from this fair value gap. You know, like this fair value gap got invalidated. The whole point of the PD array is to give your trade good risk to reward. You know, after the pullback, you're gonna sell. No, I'm gonna look for maybe a bullish breaker here because we're looking for consolidation, right? So we just took out the range low, so I think we can go higher now. This is also your -2 to 2.5 from this price leg. I learned this concept from Lumi. I don't know if you guys know who that is. I don't know if it's valid, but see that 2.5 mirror?
Mm-hmm.
You have -4 over there. Stop loss was totally fine, you know. I would take the trade again. I've taken this trade probably over 500 times with the same stop loss. You know, I would do it again, bro.
Bro, in hindsight, everyone fucking says that shit, bro. You shouldn't,
Like,
bro. Like
yeah,
in
like
the moment
it's
though,
so
if your
easy to
stop loss
say,
is
yeah.
fucking 50 points, you're gonna get fucked, bro.
Like, you don't take this trade and be like, oh, stop loss like needs to go above this fair value. Yeah.
Literally,
That's not
that's where the
like
stop loss should
this
be.
is where it should be because it could come up here if it's
No,
bad price
should
action
it not be at the top of the
and
wick
super
or
high.
the top of the candle before?
This one?
No. You see where the red line is? Shouldn't it be above the candle, the wick above?
Like this is like the most safe one because it shouldn't invalidate this fair value gap. That's the idea. This is the one that's framing the trade. So it can come up here, it can touch the high, it can wick. It shouldn't re-clear. So this one should cover. So yeah, like you could put it here. You need to give enough room for the stop loss to not wick because it can wick all the way here as long as it doesn't close.
That's what
So
I'm saying. So, but like, isn't an FEG stop loss? Shouldn't it be at the top of the wick of the candle before?
so what if it closes really a little bit above a BPR? If it does that, it just means it's a mohawk. It doesn't mean necessarily invalidated. It just means price is not that clean, you know?
What are you seeing that I'm not? It's just drawing liquidity, bro.
We called out price coming here literally at 9:15, bro. Ignoring him? Who? You would never enter here? That's okay, bro. Everyone was telling me to go long right here. I would never go long here. Never. So it's just different, you know? Are you playing something in the background? I think it's you, bro. I don't think it's me. Switch to ES, it moves better. ES never even stopped us out, you know? It is what it is. We would have won the first trade with ES.
I think he just hears me talking and he thinks that's what.
Yeah, I'm on a Discord call with someone who's learning how to trade with me. There's no drawn liquidity. There's not even a sweep adjusted PPI news today, I think. We had a clean AMD here, and this is your second stage delivery towards the obvious, to me, obvious drawn liquidity. Those lows are too clean. It's Thursday. You're expecting the movement. Clean AMD lines up with -2 to -2.5. You know? So to me, it's pretty clean.
Long, trust. What do you
Sell long? What is
sell long? Do you even buy, bro? What do you mean sell long?
How to mention someone? I think you just gotta go like use the @ symbol. ES might take up. Yep, I would love to see a breaker. That would be the best confirmation. And then the inversion. But if we get the inversion, we'll take our last trade. Nope, we got stopped out twice, and then, of course, TP. We'll look for value gap here. We'll take this. ES is already inverting. Stop loss needs to cover the OB. We could get a nice run here, maybe. Let's see. Like we're expecting the 10 a.m. candle to potentially flip, right? So we took out the wick on the 10 a.m. candle. Let's see if we have what it takes to go up. ES gave an inversion. NASDAQ did not. NASDAQ's the more bullish. No, wait, NASDAQ's, sorry, not more bullish. ES is more bullish. The setup needs to form on ES. ES gave an inversion right there. We could take that. So if NQ gives an inversion, ES is gonna give a fair value gap that we can take. So let's do that. Take out data highs. Yeah, I like this trade on ES. See this fair value gap on ES, Ham?
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably take this.
I shouldn't be trading micros on ES, right?
No, trade micro, just put in the most you can. We didn't get the fair value gap though, so it's not good anymore. Oh wait, no, we might get the fair value gap. How's it going? What's up, brother? Everything's good. All right,
Yo,
we'll
there's a
take
tiny
this.
FVG and ES, bro. Tiny, you see it?
Yeah, we'll long this if we get the inversion, stop loss inversion low. We'll do this. Just take it on NAS. Negative 2.5 standard deviation manipulation. We come back up to -1. Buy
IFVG,
when the
IFVG,
when the next candle goes down.
Okay.
Yep, can you adjust that capital? That would be amazing, bro. This is NASDAQ, guys. This is NASDAQ. Buy that. Oh fuck! I clicked sell by accident. All right, last trade of the day, guys. Stop loss is going at the inversion low, as always. I'm gonna ride this out all the way probably. So this is your negative 2.5 standard deviations potential reversal. Yeah. 10 a.m. See the 10 a.m. candle? It's starting to flip, which is what we're looking for. So it was bearish this whole time. It's starting to flip, which is what we're looking for. So let's see if we can close near the high at 11 a.m. Sell off coming? Hopefully not. I like the full buy side level here. This is where we like partial 6, for example. Something like that. All right, let's see if we can get some nice delivery. I like how it's looking so far, but you never know. Check my gold trade. We'll have to check after, brother. We're good at predicting. It's bearish. We literally took out the sell side level that I called out at 9:15 a.m., bro. What are you talking about? I am buying if it doesn't touch the FEG. Well, there you go. 10 a.m. silver bullet model with daily power of 3 overlapping. You would want to see this remain open. It shouldn't come here if it's a good trade. We have a pretty good stop loss on this one. Yeah, I like this stop loss. Because it covers the 3-minute fair value gap forming. What if it touches the FEG? And we're forming a 2, a 3. There is 2 fair value gaps. Yeah, it's not invalidated for sure. We just touched the inversion again. There's the low of the fair value gap. And they're 2 fucking shit market. Man, yes, those 5-minute candles with no wick. No, there's a wick. ES had a clean order block on ES there. Clean delivery. This fair value gap is pretty much our last hope. Yeah, wow. Enter long in the fair value gap and it aggressively comes towards us. But still not valid. Still not invalidated. Still not invalidated. We'll see. It should bottom here. if we're correct. You have hope. It's not invalidated yet. It's not invalidated yet. Sorry, bro. Sell off coming, G. We'll see. Hopefully not, but maybe. There are different ways to enter the market. Yeah, different ways to enter for sure. Look for OTE. What was your reason for the entry? We took out the daily sell side. I'm expecting daily power of 3 to be seek and destroy. So being at the lows, I'm expecting it to come back up. And then the reason for the entry was the inversion fair value gap. ES gave a clean 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Yeah. Basic silver bullet model. Why don't you after a price versus FGG? I don't wait for a price to retap. If it's an inversion, I mark it. If it's fair value gap, then I don't mark it. In really bullish markets, this is going to be... In really bullish markets, this is going to be a breakaway gap. It's just not that bullish. It's not that strong. If we get the order block here, I might add 2 positions on the eval account. If we get the order block, like clean push up. And decrease the stop here, man.
What was that?
TP's at the New York session high so far. That's just the first TP. Add position. Only if we get the order block, I'm going to add. You can trail the stop to this low. If it doesn't form the air block, it'll fail. It'll come down here. Nope, we did not get the order block. We did not. What are you trading? Nasdaq. So see there? See how on the 1 minute it looks like it just ran through, but on the 2 minute, just a wick. You know, the 3 minute we tapped into the fair value gap, so we have a good stop loss here. Immediate rebalance. So let's see if we can go higher now. That's your immediate rebalance right there. I'll add 2 on this account if we get the... ES did not take the liquidity. Yeah, SMT. It is SMT unless there's a 15-minute bearish. No. Buy the OB here. I added 2 positions on this account. And we'll take off the majority here. Maybe you were doing overthink? What? What the heck is futures? Yep, CISD out of an inversion is really strong, yeah. That's your mitigation block, for those of you who don't know. It's your mitigation block right here, so. It's kind of like confirmation of the reversal, and this is your continuation. See if we can make back our losses. I mean, don't think about the P&L. Obviously, just trade to do what's right. Daily profile, seek and destroy, my brother. Seek and destroy. What risk to reward is this? I don't know. Let's see. I mean, our first stop loss was here, so, but we added position, so let's just do this one. For the first TP, it'll be 3. I'm going to aim a little higher, though, for the buy side, maybe. First TP is 3 risk reward, so that's why I can partial here, because it's 3. On the funded, though, I'm going to be full close. I only have 2 micros on the funded, so, well, we're just going to full close there. Let's see if we can get a TP, you know. It's been a while since I got a clean TP. This trade looks good so far, but you never know. It's going for that consolidation. If we can get through here, that's a really good sign because this is a balanced price range. So if we get through here, like the fact that we're going here is really good sign that it's going to go up. Trevor, all good. Trevor, if you want to talk to me later, brother, I'm here for you, bro. I know it's not easy, man. These markets are not easy. You know, the only reason I'm still alive is because we're managing risk. And shit, bro, if we keep losing, we ain't going to be alive much longer, you know? But you know what is what it is, bro? Like, you lost your eval? Alright, so what, bro? Just get on. You know, what are you gonna quit? You're not gonna quit. This is eval. I took it on the funded as well. There's a fair value gap. See if that holds price. It touched the low right there. So the immediate rebalance played out. It's definitely bullish order flow. So I want to see these keep respecting the bullish order flow. You know, we respected the order block, respected the rebalance, respected the inversion. You know, so far respecting this fair value gap. That's bullish order flow right there. We have a 2-minute breakaway gap. 3-minute OB. The 5-minute chain of state delivery is coming. That's also your 5-minute breaker that's forming. So really good stuff. I'm looking to hold this towards into 11. Maybe even longer, but is Seek and Destroy daily profile similar to AMD? No. That's like the one thing that's not the same at all. Just overhyped fake PD rays? I mean, I don't know. They deliver pretty precisely. Koala, what happened, brother? Oh, ES. So if you're getting worried right now because Nasdaq looks like it's gonna inverse, just take a breath. Look at ES. ES is only just now tapped in. Remember, Nasdaq is weaker than ES right now. So I'd want to see ES not even touch this blue line right here. If ES doesn't touch this blue line, that's a really bullish signature. It can totally touch it. If it doesn't, that's a really good sign. You were bearish. Yep, we took shorts. We got stopped out, but it took TP here. So at least we were right. And now I'm bullish because it's seek and destroy. So I love playing the range on both sides on days like this. How do you know ES is stronger? It's because of the bullish SMT at the lows. See that SMT? That's how I know. So ES should be showing more signs of bullishness, which it is. It didn't even fill the fair value gap all the way. Left it open. Very bullish indication. See if we can form this as an order block. You think Nasdaq's going to reverse for sure? It's already reversed. Do I think it's going to go all the way? Hard to say. I think so. I mean, that's why my TP's there. Look at the hourly candle now. Remember we said this hourly candle is going to flip? So far, it's looking like it's going to flip fully. You know? Lost 500 today? That's not too bad, Koala. Compared to your other wins. You may have a small retracement. It could retrace, yeah. This could be a retracement. This could all be a fake move just to take out this buy side and then reverse on our ass. 100% possible, bro. That's why we have a stop loss. You think continue pumping? Also very possible. There's not much to retrace to. There's no 5-minute. There's no 3-minute. The only thing down here, I mean, there's an open 2-minute fair value gap. So if I was maybe a newer trader, I would take a partial here just to secure some profits, get my emotions under control because, you know, it's not easy to hold a trade. I would take partials here at this level. Relative equal highs, easy objective. What are you trading, little bros? Nasdaq futures. I'm not going to take a partial there. Me personally, I'm holding this all the way, but it's not a bad idea, you know? 10 cons for the eval. You in these buys? We are in these buys. How do you got funded with Seek and Destroy? What do you mean, how do I get funded with Seek and Destroy? Did you usually take partials? Only above 3R, Jacob. What's OTE? OTE stands for optimal trade entry. The optimal trade entry is 0.618, 0.705, 0.786. So in this price range, the most optimal entry would be down here. Now, I don't think it's going to give an OT entry. It doesn't mean wait for this every single time. Well, you can if that's your model. It's not my model, though, but that's what it is. It's in my Discord, brother. It's Golden Pocket, essentially. It's Golden Pocket, yeah. It's the exact same thing. Show an example of a PD ray. This inversion fair value gap, this immediate rebalance, this order block that I'm going to mark out right now, this small bullish fair value gap, this minor buy side liquidity, this fair value gap right here that hasn't been inversed, but we're looking for it to get inversed. All this stuff are PD rays. Can I sell now? You don't use standard deviations? We've already shown the projections. I'm not going to keep it up unless you guys want me to keep it up. So we use standard deviations twice today. We use standard deviations to predict the reversal. Shout out to Lumi, to be honest, because she, you know, I didn't learn it from her, but I wouldn't probably not use it if I didn't see her use it. So manipulation, leg, standard deviations for reversal. So come all the way here. You expect to move higher from there. What do you want ES to do before you enter on NQ? If ES is more bullish, ES needs to give the setup. I'm not looking for a bullish setup on NASDAQ if, you know. Why did you target these highs as take profit? These highs here? Because I think we're gonna pump. So I'm going for the home run, you know? Emmy, you still here, bro? Emmy? Oh, you haven't said anything in a while, bro. You good? You playing games or some shit?
Yeah, I'm good. No, bro.
Just watching the candles?
Yeah. Reading chat. Some people are so negative, bro.
Some people, yo, I'm not gonna lie. Some of you fuckers are haters, bro. Like some of you were preying on my downfall. I swear to God, bro. We were short here, and someone was like, "You idiot! It's obviously going up." Like what, bro? Relax. First of all, it's like you're looking for me to like validate your idea or something. Where'd you enter? We entered on the inversion. So
You're selling, you fucking idiot. I'm going long so fast.
do you stream every day? We're here every day, brother. On what days and times do you stream? If TP hits, I'll be near every stream. I mean, sure, bro. If TP hits, sure, if you want to, but I don't care if he comes or not. It's up to you. Fair value gap here. See if it supports the bullish order flow. Demo. This is eval, but I took it on the funded as well. Haters equals you're doing something right. You learned so much already. That's good, bro. That's what I want to hear. You know. So
what the hell is the market, bro?
It's not gonna just keep going up. You gonna mark that breaker or leave the inversion? The breaker is here. The 5-minute breaker is the cleanest. So low, high, lower, low, higher, high. These candles are your 5-minute breaker. I just marked the inversion. I like to stay on the 1 minute, so I'll mark the PD raise I see. But yeah, there's a breaker in there. Notice our stop loss. I haven't even touched the stop loss. I'm not touching it. I like my stop loss where it is. I mean, you can put it like a couple ticks higher. That's not a big deal. If it comes this close to stop loss, it'll just run through and we're wrong. So a couple ticks, but I mean, who really cares? Just accept the risk, you know? I don't care if I lose. It's a good trade. No way you don't go stop to break even. What? Nah. Too early. There's still a breaker here. Look, the 5-minute order block is right here. So there's a 5-minute fair value gap. So
Yo, sorry to cut you off, bro. This guy said if you hit TP, I'm coming to your stream every day. Hey, bro, what?
that's funny.
What kind of fucking comment is that, bro? What kind of comment is that, man?
Yeah, it's funny. Confluences. We took the daily sell side, 2.5 standard deviations, reversal, inversion, fair value gap. We got a mitigation block, so a failure swing here showing strength. Those were all the confirmations when I entered the trade. After that, there was obviously some more stuff. Not worried about Powell. Powell speaks at 3, so nah, I'm not too worried right now. ICT student, yes. 2.5 on the real funded. Nice, bro. That's really good. Do you think longs at 933 were valid? For me, absolutely not. If you're a scalp trader, sure, you can take that. I would. That's not my way personally. Notice how we inversed this fair value gap, came down. The only way I could, yeah, if we inverse this whole, like we can put the stop here. to cover this whole 5-minute inversion. But I'll let this one go, you know, see if we can. Sorry, the first TP should be here. I don't know why it was up there. The next TP would be here. What do you think about render token? Bro, do I look like I know anything about render token, bro? Oh, nice, Sizzle. That's lit, bro. Gatie, do you switch the numbers on the chart to the left of the screen? Yep, I like to put it on the left. Can we buy? If I were to look for a re-entry, I would look for a low to get taken and then another move higher. So let's say we get this. I'd enter here.
Yo, by the way, that guy was asking how you move it to the left, not if you use it to the left.
Oh, so you got to go to settings, go to canvas, and then go to scale and lines, and then stack on the left. Scales placement, stack on the left. Reverse. I don't think we'll get a reversal here, if I'm being honest. Order flow is very heavy bullish. Anyone who's shorting is getting someone impersonating you. There's a lot of people impersonating me, bro. 2022, that's one of them, yeah. You everyday live. We're live every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. YouTube and TikTok. How are you doing? Not bad. Not bad. 1050 macro. Yep, 1050 macro should support this trade idea as well. Holy shit, we just got bare follows. What the fuck?
Yeah, I saw that. I thought it was just lagging.
What's your win ratio? Right now, it's not that good. In the grand scheme of things, it's like 60. By the way, I'm short right now. It's not the worst short, to be honest. This could still technically be one big-ass retracement, but order flow is so bullish. Me, personally, I wouldn't go short. Yeah, so we're TPing at the buy side level there. That's our first TP, 3R.
How long until you pass eval?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one's in big drawdown, bro. It's just not getting past anytime soon. I'm in Germany and I'm shocked about your knowledge. Can I learn? Sure, bro. By the way, I'm sure now. This trade on the eval funded. I took it on both. Guarov took it on both. Who you in call? I'm in call with Hammy. Demo, we took this on funded and eval. Someone said, let's fucking go. Good stuff. Not yet, yo. This is still going to be a TP or SL. How should I manage risk here? It depends. Are you comfortable losing? Or are you going to go on tilt and be like, fuck this shit, man. Shit doesn't work, you know? Depends. If that's you, then look to take partials. Look to break even. Take something off at the minor buy side, which I said. You know? Me personally, if it comes all the way down here and stops me, I don't care, bro. I don't care. It's a fucking funded account, bro. It's an eval account. You know?
Personally, I take revenge trades.
Yeah, so just take bro, if you're up this much right now, just fucking close it, bro. Who cares? You know? You trade inversion sometimes. How do I set up multiple sell stops? Just right click. So you got to change it here. So let's say I want to do TP1. So I just right here, sell limit 1. Boom. Just cancel it. I don't want to keep that there, obviously.
Wait, how do you do that? Do it again?
So change this number here, right?
On the middle.
To see how much you want to put in the order. And then you can right click. If you right click above market price, it'll be sell orders and buy stops. So if I want to sell one in a long is a TP, right? Because you can't go long and short at the same time. So it's a TP.
Oh, that's sick.
Man, fuck it. I'm going to full point. How many guys are short right now? Let's do a poll. You know, fuck it. Let's do a poll. Trade right now. Let's see. Long, short, no trade.
I entered this long on an inverse. So are you at the bottom? Like, you have the best fill NA, bro?
Too late to enter. If I was gonna enter now, I would wait for a sweep of a low and then a push higher. If that doesn't happen, I wouldn't. Me personally, that wouldn't enter. That's my continuation model. I wait for a sweep because I don't want to enter a bullish fair value gap and then it comes back, sweeps the low, and then makes another bullish fair value, goes long. You know. 15-second FEG once we started to inverse. That's really good. Like the 15-second fair value gap that formed here, it's a good inverse. Top step, yep. Top step and my fundamental futures, brother. Is Broski still in here?
Those banners are sick, eh?
Which banners?
Behind you, the cars.
Yeah, they're sick, bro. It actually is sick. Yeah, it is sick.
Sick.
Can I borrow your SSN for a minute? What's that? What about Apex? Apex is my least favorite, personally.
SSN, your social security number, bro? What do you want that for?
Oh, nah, bro. Borrow? The fuck? This guy said
Can
borrow.
I borrow your SSN for a minute? That is.
I feel like I missed some questions, yo. If I missed your question, just ask again. I have the 50K starter. It's my first ever My Funded Futures account. Any problems with payouts? Nope. I've gotten 3 payouts with Top Step, all of which were very simple, you know? There is bullish SMT at the lows here. Do you signal? I'm just here to show my journey, you know? If someone asks questions, I'll answer them. But I'm just here to show my journey, you know? You do whatever you want to do. I'm here to show my journey.
Does you signal? You don't signal.
I don't give signals that go enter here, stop loss here, TP here. No, but I mean I trade live every day.
No.
How long
I
you?
thought signal trading was like market formations, like
No, signal is like it's like you send it, like you tell people exactly what to do, bro. Like you just entry at this price, stop loss here. My payouts go to stop loss because I don't follow consistency rules. How much do I risk? 2 trades per day. 2 trade idea. So that short we took, to me that's 1 trade. It's the same trade idea. That trade idea was never invalidated. I was just trying to get good risk to reward, so I had to try to keep a precise stop loss. Market wasn't precise, so I didn't get a precise stop loss. So to me, that was 1 trade. Data highs is my first CP. Yeah. Someone said, how much do I risk? I risk 10% of my drawdown number. So whatever the drawdown is, that's my 10%. So what do I want to see here? So it's obviously consolidating in the macro. I wasn't expecting that. I'd expect it to pump. Obviously, there's still 15 minutes left in the macro. What do I think can happen here? Possibly we come down, take the low, and then move higher. We didn't take out any low, so to me, this is not a valid order block.
Bro, look at this guy's comment, bro. Please target 167. That's the level it's gonna hit and then drop. Bro, are you fucking market buyer maker, bro? You designed the entire. How can you just say that with full confidence?
I bet you he did this shit right here because I just found out what that level is. He's saying this is like a resistance or something. That's the rejection block. I mean, yeah, I would expect you to take the high. How are you streaming like that? Half screen?
Said, trust me.
Yep, half screen. How much you used to risk? That's funny. How much you used to risk in your first Top Step account? I used to risk too much. I used to risk like anywhere from like 250 to 500. Should take the hourly high.
Micros. You were taking minis at the time.
Yeah, we risked 1 mini per trade pretty much. Crude oil 5 minute, nice. Imagine we reject off the stupid FEG. Possible, bro.
Bro, I'm never gonna forget the 5 contract mini I took, bro. So satisfying.
Deep retracement coming here. Pull back, and then I'm full margin. Not a deep retracement. Deep retracement would be, if I'm not mistaken, we just tapped into a 5 minute bullish, right? Nope, it's right there. So your 5 minute bullish is right there. ES just tapped in.
Tap and go.
I'll just keep the 1 minute marked up. And we are all the way back, almost to our entry. And no emotions. Gatie, I'm telling you out of respect, put TP at 167. Can I borrow your credit card? You're going to regret it, I promise you.
Ignorant comment.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, brother. My turn to make money right now? Maybe, bro. Maybe money glitch. Why no SL to break even? It's definitely going to SL. That's okay, bro. That's why it's there. I think it'll run to yesterday's high. Yep. That's what we're positioned for. We tap the 5 minute fair value gap there. If we invert the 5, that's probably where I'd close. We shouldn't invert this 5. We are back in drawdown now. I think it'll run a little high, but it's just so bearish. You think you look at it, it's so bearish? I don't know.
You're going to regret it. Why, bro?
I identify liquidity. Highs and lows, brother. Liquidity rests above highs and lows. Notice the volume imbalance right there. If we inverse this, I might even add on this account. You're going to blow your account? So be it, bro. Good thing we can get another one. Think it'll just play around till Powell speaks? Maybe. Rejection block? No rejection block here. Scalp to sell. Nice or OT on the day, but a boring day. This isn't boring. This is pretty nice price action in my opinion. How long you been trading for? You didn't even take partial? Nope, brother. Not me. There is, bro.
Oh, I can break even, luckily, from profits.
I don't see no rejection block, bro. There's no rejection block. Pass my 500 CPI. That was a good trade. Nice, bro. Proud of you. People who knows what you're doing, sit back, relax, focus on your own setup. Focus on your setup. I mean, yeah, do what you gotta do, you know? It's gonna come down to this 5 minutes. We're inside the breaker, inside the fair value gap. So see if we can reject. Long and 90, I think it's still good. If it was me, I'd wait for confirmation from the breaker. Maybe the 10-minute breaker is nicer. Nah, it's not that clean.
You should have gotten out, bro. Like, what is
nice, bro. 128. Yeah, not bad. 128 is not bad.
It's gonna
do you think it'll go high still?
Bro, you just said it's gonna dump for 167. Now you change your mind to 128. Like, what is that shit, bro?
Do I think it's gonna dump? Do I think it's gonna go up still? Not after this candle, no. It's probably a stop loss here. Our stop loss is... When our stop loss the low of... Back to the original inversion. Where did I put my stop loss here? I can hear two voices. Yep, I'm on a Discord call with a friend who's learning how to trade. Why no partials? It's not in the rules, bro. I partial at 3 Rs above. Your buddy keeps yapping. I mean, some of you are saying some weird shit. It's gonna go down to take previous day low. Maybe, bro. Yeah, this is all maybe just one big retracement. You know?
Your buddy's yapping. Well, how am I yapping? You're saying some crazy shit in chat, bro.
100%. That's why I said if you're not okay losing, take your partials. You know?
Yo, Christian, why did you get out at 128?
Bro, don't trust this man. He's probably lying, bro. Account size, 50K accounts, brother.
I'm curious.
I thought you're always right. But if I was always right, I would be a billionaire right now. What do you mean? If we inverse this fair value gap, I would look for an entry there. What platform? Gatie, any trades? Bro, I am literally in a trade right now. Yep, you should do the file. Yeah, you should. You should. Yeah, I don't listen. 88 retracement level. Man, you just made that number up, bro. Got stopped out, but just gotta rinse and repeat. Yep, that's okay, bro. Come back tomorrow and you'll hit TP. Because it's not gonna hit 170s. Maybe not, bro. Why did you buy? Because I thought it was gonna go up. I mean, to each its own, but partial at 2 hours, a key level. Yeah, that's totally fine, bro. If you think you should partial there, partial. For me, I don't partial under 3 risk to reward. It messes up my risk to reward. I don't like to partial under 3R. You know, we reduced our risk, right? We reduced our risk. My risk was here. Now it's, or was it here, something? That's fine. You just made 2R. I could have closed 2R as well, you know? But it's going to go up in the higher time frame. It's biased bullish. I think so too. Oh, this rejection block on the 15-minute? Is that what you were talking about? We did tap the 15-minute rejection block. Yeah, right. Oh, we actually fell short of it, actually, so we didn't even touch it there. See if we get the inversion here. Process should usually be at the low-hanging fruit for me personally. Yep, that's totally fine, bro. That's how I used to do it. I don't like doing it like that anymore. Here, Chilla stopped at this low here.
Okay.
So now that we came in and we're leaving the range, we got the bullish fair value gap here. So if this fair value gap holds, we should see a clean run quickly in the next 8 minutes towards TP. If we invert, yeah, we got to inverse this fair value gap, then you get your confirmation. I'm actually telling you right now, partial should be usually low, 15-second FEG. Yep, there's a 1 minute fair value gap there. So exit trade if you're going to lose $1 million. Huh? Oh, let's end this poll. Selling pressure increased. Yeah, we got a lot of votes. Nice, pretty active chat today. My TP is at 21063. My first TP is at 21173. Flat body candle there. That's not bad. ES doesn't have one. Now we're putting in an SMT right here. Short right now. I'm in a long. Are you over trading? No, brother. We broke no rules today. We broke no rules today. Today was a good day. As long as you don't break rules, that's a win. Today was good. I'm really happy with my performance today. You read the chart so well, just need to reduce the greed. I don't think I was greedy at all. I followed every single rule. Managed our risk really well. There's a liquidity pool under 2104. There is definitely liquidity below. Yeah, you're right about that. We inversed this fair value gap, so it's probably a loss right there. It would have went higher from here. What are your trading rules? I have way too many to tell you right now, bro. I like to be very precise with every entry. I have rules for every single entry, every single trading model. So if your confidence is different, it's not even about that. I know my rules. I keep my rules. That's it. That's why I don't care about what everyone says. I'm not gonna like change my rules because someone made a comment. Like, I know my rules, you know? Are you funded? Currently funded with 3 accounts, yeah. Loaded full of gold. What's your risk management? I risk 10% on every trade for my 10%, 10% of my drawdown, yeah. So there's still hope. There's a rejection block here, right? That's a rejection block. There is an SMT. So it's possible. But obviously, starting to look like that was one big retracement. I'm guessing on a personal. Nope, I'm on eval and I'm on funded as well, same time. I don't have a live account. We've only ever had 3 payouts. I still have a long way to go, brother. Stick to your rules. That's the way. Exactly, bro. It's the only thing you can control. You're cooked. That liquidity is getting taken. Maybe, bro. It looks like it. Breaking rules in trading is very normal. What prop? I use Top Step and I use my funded futures as well. I don't want to see this inverse, but we've slowed down now, so this could be a nice breaker mitigation. But I'd honestly add one here, to be honest. If we get the breaker mitigation block, it's my favorite entry model. It's almost like a slap in the wrist if I don't. I would add one. What's 15 times 2? 30, 60.
30.
I can add one on the fund as well. The risk permits. We'd have to get the mitigation block though. So like market structure shift, pretty much. Doesn't look like it's happening. Very awesome. And you're gonna hit TP? Maybe. One thing I don't like to do ever is get entitled, you know? You'll never catch me saying like, oh, this looks so good. Like it's definitely gonna fucking come here and then keep. Because when you do that shit, you're just gonna get sad when you lose. I mean, I know myself. And there's the potential breaker mitigation entry model. Stay humble, you know, otherwise it's gonna hurt more. Too many people are like, oh, this looks so good, oh, blah blah blah. I'm gonna add 1 contract here. 2 contract here. If we get the closure above, gonna add 7 seconds left. It's gotta show me that it's actually gonna go up. Nah, it's not good enough. What is SMT? SMT is a cracking correlation between pairs. Looks good to me. Maybe. We didn't get the closure above though, so I lost my eval because instead of 5 micros, I added 5 minis. Koala, what? Koala, we need to talk after this clearly, huh? So immediate rebalance there. That could deliver higher prices. Could not. But looking to see if we react off the previous candle's high. Explain breaker mitigation. Breaker mitigation is my favorite entry model. Over here, we have a mitigation block forming. I don't qualify this, not clean enough. But if we go up here, then we have a mitigation block. Mitigation block is high, low, high, higher, low. So a failure swing. See how we failed to swing here? Failure swing. And then higher high. This is your mitigation block right here. This blue line I'm drawing right now, I'm going to draw it on the chart right here. That's a mitigation block. On the other asset, we have a breaker block. That's my favorite entry model. I'm going to add. Oh no, I missed the fill. I added one there. The stop loss is still really permissible for our risk. So if we get stopped out, it's fine. Oh shit. But 102, 112 units. All right, let's see if we can get this inversion. Obviously, inversion would have been the cleaner ad, but we have a really good stop loss here. Really good risk to reward on this setup. There is no such thing as a mitigation block. Yes, there is, brother. What's your funded budget? How much did you risk in total? Right now on the funded or the eval? It's different. So for this trade on the eval, which I don't like that reaction by the way, but 13, I don't know. I can't do the math. 13 times 12. You gotta do the math, bro. I know it's good just because I'll do the math for you. 13 times 12 times 2. Like this trade is 300 risk. That's so fucking good for 12 micros. And the TP is really good. Just pray for no drawdown. What's your funded budget? I lost 224 my funded, but I'm up 1,000. That's really good, bro. Nice. I'm in drawdown on my funded. We've been struggling on the funded. I mean, we've been struggling in general this last month. Gatie, who are these people? I don't know, bro. Like the funded's been hard, you know? In my opinion, end of October, November has been really difficult. See if we can get a clean closure above here. Treat this as a bullish order block. You have a Discord? I do, bro. The only problem is that you hold a bot. Clean entry. Thank you, bro. If you agree, Quicks, yeah, right? It's been tough. Everyone has their own strategy. Exactly, bro. If you know, why'd you move your stop to there? If it comes below here, there's a good chance it's going to come for the sell side. So I'm willing to put my stop loss here. You know? Like if I told you 80% of the trades I've taken where we come back, move up, put an SMT. If I put my stop there, 80% of the time it continues. 20% of the time it'll take the stop. I'm going to put my stop there then, bro. I don't like that wick. We failed to make the order block. Mike cuts out sometimes. That's not good. You trade multiple funded account? Yes, sir. How are we doing? What's up, Kevin? Doing good. I've been in the trade for quite a while, actually. Looks like we'll have to hold it through lunch. First trade? Nope. Third trade. Third trade. When time do you start? 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. What stock is this? This is NASDAQ futures. Yep. Busy 50%. 100%. Do you have a job full time? I work part time as well. You should take in DXY longs or gold shorts, bro. Maybe. Do you trade at high impact news? Yep. Yep. Always after the news, but yeah. You're chilling. Bro, chill. You're trading a range. Look at the daily. You're right. We are ranging on the daily. That's why I took a long from range low. What was your entry? Took a long earlier, 1 minute gap, 5-minute inverse. 5-minute. You took the 5-minute inverse. Yeah, I entered pretty much around the 5-minute inverse as well. But I just took it on the 1 minute. How long you been using ICT? Almost a year. Part-time job outside or at home? It's outside, Johnny. You should have closed, gang. It's hindsight. It's hindsight Harry speaking right now, bro. How'd you get into trading? Just looked and tried to make money online. Found ICT on YouTube. Started watching everything. Looked for the charts myself. Saw how good it was, and kept going. You know. Is this live account or paper? This is funded and eval. So do with what you will. Wait a minute. Since when do you do 3 trades, Gatie? The first 2 trades were the same trade idea. That's why there's a very specific rule for that. We re-entered off the same trade idea. So that trade, which ended up being a win, by the way, which is just stupid. You actually watch his videos, every single one, multiple times, bro. First one was the same trade idea. So I only count that as 1 trade. I give myself 2 trade ideas. As long as my risk is good. I manage my risk, you know. So we had more risk to go with. We only lost 200 on the first 2 trades. So I still have another 100 to work with. So we're risking 100 on this trade. Wait a minute since, hello, sir. I want to learn from you. Sure. What ICT deal do you recommend? 2022 and then 2024 if you're day trading futures. How do you profit on stop order? I click the X and it cancels it. What? No. He was talking about people who are using the word mitigated, not mitigation block. Completely different. Two different things. Trading can be simplified by making it mechanical. Use if-then statements. 100%, bro. I agree with that. What are you trading here? This is micro NASDAQ futures. Can I get your WhatsApp? No, you cannot get my WhatsApp. But you can message me on Discord. Where is Hindsight Harry now? Wait, don't say anything yet, Kevin. It's wicking. Give me like 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and we'll see. How many funded have you passed? Many funded, bro. Maybe like 15, 20. I guess that's not that much. It's still consolidating, you know. It is what it is. How much did you put in for this trade? On the funded, 100 risk. And on this one, it was 312. What leverage do you recommend? Do you familiar with Hydra? Hydra's the most BS ICT trader I've ever seen in my life. This guy made up his own macros. How do you learn ICT and then make up your own macros? It just makes no sense to me. How do you split screen? Like this. This button right here. What do you think about FTC? No idea what that is, bro. I'm in this trade as well. Nice, bro. Hopefully it TPs. I mean, right now, do I think it's going to TP? I think it'll come here. Do I think it's going to do so in this trade? I don't know. 50-50. It's consolidated. Could go either way right now, in my opinion. Yep, 130 Judas swing is a thing. Oh, Hydra is profitable? Maybe. Gatie, can you make mods in here? Yes. Will you trade tomorrow? Yes. Is this gaming live or TikTok live? What? What does that even mean? What's your TP? TP is the buy side from New York AM session. Do I think this setup will play? Constantly rejecting the 5. Yes, just tapped into the 5 and rejected. Hard. Equal lows or your stop loss? Yep. Name the prop firm. Is this Twitch? What? How does that even make sense what you're asking me right now, bro? You're watching me on TikTok. ES Finna inverse. That would be nice if ES inverses, yeah. That would probably confirm. What's your bias and confluences? We were looking for long. We entered off this. You've been in the trade for a while. What is your strategy? ICT. Why is it again choppy? It's because I'm in the market, bro. Is this Twitter Spaces?
This Twitter Spaces.
Okay, you guys are trolling. TikTok's actually funny. Yeah, honestly, this trade now, it doesn't look as good as it looked when we first entered. Am I going to close it? No. It hasn't been invalidated for me, so I'm not going to close just because, you know. But we're definitely consolidated. The good news is, if we do leave this range, we do have a really good chance of hitting TP because this will become all balanced. It'll have no reason to come back. The bad news is, it's kind of like 50-50 whether or not we'll actually hit TP or, you know. MMXM buy. If we get a bullish for value gap here, that would be your second stage market maker buy model. Yeah. Hello, sir. I want to learn ICT. How learn it? YouTube, brother. When do you think price action will be better? When we leave all-time highs. But it's already December month, so who knows? We could just get out here, bro. Like, I'd rather just let it hit stop loss, to be honest. If price do manipulation, you will out of the game. Yeah, you're right about that. We could definitely get swept and then it pumps. Can that mitigation block also be connected to FEG? No. How long did it take for you to pass your first funded? I passed my first one after 2 months of ICT. Any of Mysel's jits in here? Love Mysel, bro. Good entry. Yeah, it's not bad. There's a decent chance we'll get stopped out. This is an intermediate term low. It shouldn't come take this low. Why are you trading at 11? I entered this trade at 10:30. Every time I enter, man, it's always chop. Trust me, Ryan. I feel you, bro. Trust me. I feel you. Mysel's a homie for real. What is the pair? NASDAQ. Is this live? Nah, bro. This is a simulation. This is a recording. 1033 low, you guys say? Nah.
Why are you trading McDonald's?
Why are you trading McDonald's? Bro, I swear to God, you guys are funny, bro.
Put SL under 1033 low instead.
This one right here.
Why do that?
Nah. You explain why you're long? Because I think price is gonna go up. So why are you streaming on McDonald's? Why are you streaming on McDonald's? You're banned from Iowa and Mississippi now? What does that mean? 1 GP, 1 break even. Nice, bro. It's genuine gambling? Sure, bro. If you think it's gambling, no problem. Why don't you get out? PA is choppy. Trade hasn't been invalidated yet. Remove your stop loss. I think price is. I agree.
Put your stop loss at 0.
I got stopped out there on the funded. See if I guess my stop loss wasn't the same, but hopefully we get stopped out here as well here too now because we got out at the funded. It will stop out. Probably. Your neighbor is good, just not the best entry. We entered all the way here, bro. A lot of you guys are joining late. We entered here. We've been in the trade since here. Why are you in logs? Because I think it's going to go up. What SMT help for? Helps to confirm a trade, kind of. Imagine just flips. Got me hard as fuck. That would be nice, bro. But no, I don't think it'll probably just keep chopping until it'll pick a direction. So, what brand is your microwave? I don't even know. You might have a chance. SMT at the high, spam. Imagine just flips. 5-minute inverse Peter said, "Oh, this was a good setup." It was a good setup. I would take this setup every single day for the rest of my life. I would take this setup. You know?
Isn't Powell speaking later? Yes, he is.
Where you get a computer from? I built it. Plus 200 on the giveaway. Nice, Hamza. Good shit, bro. Can't complain. Exactly, bro. I hope you short along. We will fly now. Get ready. In my opinion, stop loss is not that good. Before we come up here, it'll probably take the stop loss. You profitable, bro? Yeah, I think so. Why don't you show your execution? Sure, bro. 2 losses here. Short. TP was hit soon after, which was right here. Then we went long, came up, came back down. Now it's consolidating right at our entry level. How many years? 1. Sir, teach me ICT. You gotta learn ICT from YouTube. You think we head to sell side? Yeah, the fact that we stopped here probably means it's 50-50, so.
That's a good question. Yomir, what's the difference between an OB and a breaker block?
Completely different. The order block is the candle that took out liquidity, right? And then it changed the state of delivery. This is a change in the state of delivery right here. So the candle that formed the change of state of delivery validates the order block. So this candle right here got closed over. Now we're in sell side delivery, right? So that's your order block. The breaker block is the candle that actually shifted structure. So high, low, higher high. So it's still an uptrend at this point. So you have a low, high. You have something like this, right? This is up, like bullish market structure, bullish order flow. But then when we come down here and break structure, this is a breaker block now. This is the candle that broke structure. That's why it's called breaker block. So that's the difference. What buy at the chain of delivery has happened?
Wait, so an order block?
I bought a long time ago, brother. We've been in the same trade. Yeah. What was your results today? Let's see. After this trade, are you doing options? No. Do you stream every day? Yes. No way. Please pump. Yeah, join the Discord, AJ. That's the best. And then I'll teach you how to learn ICT. I can't teach you ICT, but I can help you learn. What sucks is we got stopped out on the funded. I guess my stop loss was like right here. It is what it is, I guess.
Why are you getting banned from everywhere, bro? What does that mean?
Why not wait for Powell? I don't trade while Powell's speaking. I start streaming every single day at 9:50. Damn, look at that rejection off the soup. 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. That's when I stream. Just bring the stop loss here, just below the rejection block.
How do you
Nine.
identify?
Just reduce the stop loss a little.
Okay.
How do you identify? It's when there's a rollover. Whenever there's like a rollover like this, you know there's a CISD in there. That's the easiest way to see it. Why don't you profit to 400? I was up 800 at one point and I didn't profit, bro. So, yeah. 20 sellers, sure. Pretty difficult condition. Only breaker if taking stops or the type of block.
Consolidating a lot. It's not even
Yep, the breaker has to take stops, exactly. Yeah, it's just choppy. It is what it is. Take profit now? No, thank you. Pretty difficult conditions. It's not too bad. I mean, better than most, but yeah. Why did you take the buy? I thought it was gonna go up. You're banned in Europe? How is your profit so high? We got 12 micros on this trade, so stop at break even? Nah. What shampoo do you use? Head and Shoulders.
You use Head and Shoulders, bro?
What's that line you just put? Which one? I don't even remember putting a line. This is your order block on the bear side of the curve. What brokers do you use? So for example, the breaker block would be here. So see how we're going up and now we're coming down? If we shift structure, so we did this going down, but if we shift structure all the way, this would be a breaker block. So if we come up all the way here, there's a really good chance we're going to run the buy side. You know? Are you talking? Nah, bro. I got out with minus 40, scalped this big, bro. I would target sells above area, chase the bag. This guy's hood, bro. Stick to your skills and be blessed. Of course, just follow the rules, bro. Ban everyone who told you to sell. No. I'm just trading my rules, bro. Yeah, I got stopped on the funded, unfortunately. I guess my stop was a little couple ticks higher by accident. So we're out on the funded. But we're still in on this. Should have been the same fund. It should have been the same. Actually doesn't work. It's not an algorithm. Don't get fooled. Yeah, bro. This guy can't spell. But you know what? I trust you. You're right. What do you think about fetch? No idea what that is, bro. What's the difference between funded and non-funded? Funded, you can get payouts for your progress. Non-funded, you can't get payouts. Yeah, I got slipped on the funded. Same thing happened yesterday, by the way. And actually the last 6 days. 6 days now.
How long did it take for you to be profitable? My first eval account, I was profitable.
Using my funded futures on this account. Favorite brand of wet wipes? I don't use that. The more viewers you get, the more stupid things they say. Yeah. How long should it take to pass the funded? Ideally, around a month. There's no time limit though, bro. The time limit just, you know, there's no time limit. It's whenever you pass. How many payouts? 3 payouts so far. Do you respond on here? Nah, bro. Fuck you guys on TikTok. Find the enigma that ICT don't work. It's a trader behind the charts. Non-ICT people don't get it. Makes sense why 90% lose money. I'd say it's more than 90%. Why do you have so many viewers today? I don't know, bro. We trade live every day. We're here. We're talking. We're engaging. So I think people keep coming, bro. Now we're going long.
How do you pass eval? It's different for every
You stream on Twitch? No. I stream on YouTube and TikTok. What do you do in your days? You work or something? Spend time with my girl, play games, work on some other projects. I have like a lot of projects going on, so working on all of those. Yeah, I just want to say I actually appreciate everyone joining on TikTok and YouTube. Honestly, I love doing this. As much as you guys hate on me and pray on my downfall, you know, there's a lot of real people out there. Appreciate you guys. I love streaming. I stopped using top subjects for this stupid shit. Happens often. Never had this problem on Tradeovate. Traders, do you think are scammers? A lot of them are scammers. You ever try kick? Nah. Just gonna. Nah, ICT definitely didn't share my link, bro. My favorite to watch so far. Appreciate you, Mitchell. Appreciate you, bro. We got the inversion on ES. But yeah. We need to win our next trade on the fundeds. Did you lose today? Let's see. If this trade TPs, we'll be up on the day. Least favorite streamer. Fire. What percentage of payouts can you keep? 100% of the payout you keep. Oh. It's complicated. There's kind of rules, but you keep the first 100% of your first 10K in payouts, and then you only keep 10%. 90% after. You play BO6. I'm so down to play BO6, but I only gotta pay out first. I feel like I gotta reward myself, you know? Does that make sense? Like, I feel bad buying a new game and grinding it, How many toes you have? Only 4. I'm lacking on that side of things. Hopefully we can improve. Name traders that you think are scammers. What do you mean by scammers? Like, is this eval? This one's on the eval. We took it on the funded as well, though. What games you play? Rocket League. That's like the only game I play right now, to be honest. You chose work hard. That's why we back you. Answer a lot of questions. Yeah, bro. I'm here for you guys, bro. You guys want to watch my journey? Learn what I know. Why do you have the sell limit so high? I'm just gambling, you know. I'm just like really hoping and just praying that for some reason it just comes up here. There's no real reason to it, you know. No, I'm joking. It's just the buy side level from New York AM session. Everyone says LXG is a scammer, but that guy's a real G. G looks papa. Is this Italian session? Bro, how do you guys come up with this? Think of TJR. I don't know if he's a good trader or not. Can't speak on that. The only thing I can speak on is some of his concepts that he teaches are incorrect according to ICT's teachings. So maybe it's not ICT. Maybe he teaches his own version, which is fine. In that case, what I'm saying is wrong. But if he teaches ICT and that's what he's trying to teach, some of the stuff he says is incorrect. Why do you went long after buy side liquidity sweep? So basically, I like to buy high and I like to sell low. I was doing the opposite because I'm so smart. No, I'm joking. I entered this trade at 10:20, brother. We've been in this trade for an hour. Yeah. Who was incorrect? TJR. TJR. Some of the stuff he teaches. I'm not saying he's incorrect, but I'm saying if he's claiming to be teaching ICT concepts, some of them, not all of them, but some of them, I've heard him explain them, and he explained them incorrectly. TJR is a DGen. I'm not gonna go into that stuff. That's all I'm gonna talk about is the facts, and that's the facts that I can back up. So,
Yo,
Riyadh, no, yeah,
ICT took that short today, bro. Full profit, bro. He turtle
yeah,
swooped it.
yeah. That's a really good short, man. We tried. We got stopped out.
Bro, he literally turtle swooped that trade from top to bottom, bro. That's
He
crazy.
took the volume imbalance probably, bro. He'd be doing shit like that.
Wow.
He'd be doing. ICT is not difficult. Nope, agreed. On what firm? I recommend Top Step, My Funded Futures, and Funded by Traders for Forex. Who did ICT? Apparently ICT caught the short here. 11:30
Wow.
macro. Yo, Cookie. Can you do me a favor, Cookie?
10K, bro. That's crazy.
Vantage
Oh
is
my
good.
God, he kept... What the fuck?
I use Top Step. And I already did show my stop. I mean, I can put it here, sure. It doesn't matter. All the same. Where did you see the ICT trade, man? Twitter? YouTube?
On Twitter, yeah. He posted on Twitter.
On Twitter.
Wow, bro. He fucking, bro, he had 12K, took 3 out. What do you do?
Cookie, can you find me a video? Because I couldn't find this. Can you find me a video of ICT explaining the lunch macro at 11:30? Because I know I've seen it somewhere. Maybe it was in the middle of a live stream and I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't remember, but does he actually claim to trade does he actually claim there's an 11:30 macro? That's important information. I need to know. People like Trader Kane and T-Trades live trades are insane. I've never seen them trade live, but yeah, they seem to be making really good profits, bro. What's your target? Right now, New York session high. We've been holding this. I'm gonna lose my mind if I hold it any longer, bro. I'm literally starving at this point. Why don't you trail your stops? Because it doesn't make sense to put my stop loss there right now. If we inverse this fair value gap, then I can put my stop here. What is SMT? SMT is a divergence between correlated assets. One asset did something, the other one did the opposite. Yep, Trader Kane. I've never seen T Trade live. I've seen Trader Kane some of his trades, so seems to be doing pretty good. Bro, Powell speaks at 3. But if this trade doesn't, I'm gonna close this shit by like 12 max. Like I gotta make breakfast, bro. Or I'll just set it and leave it, like can't see the rectangle, change the color. There you go, brother. So we wait. Where do you work part-time? Work for a basketball league. Say free Palestine? Free Palestine. Where is your TP? New York game session highs, my first TP. Market you compare to? ES, bro. Um, NASDAQ and ES. Entry model. We use inversion market today. Yep, we got a Discord. Big Discord. I'm so proud to be in this chat, man. That's fucking beautiful to hear, bro. I appreciate you, man. Launch macro 11 to 50. Okay, that one I know. And I know about the macro that you see him on YouTube. Yep. Did you find daily bias? Daily bias for today was this. So far, we were 100% correct about our bias. We were 100% correct about what was going to happen here. 100% correct. Not 100% correct, but we were right about where it was going to go. We were right about where it was going to reverse from. And now we're consolidated. So I guess that's the one thing I'm not good at. That's the one thing I'm not good at is predicting this consolidation. Should I sell right now or buy? Neither, bro. If you're not in a trade, I would not enter a trade right now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Ryan. Like this high just stay for PM session maybe. At 9:15 a.m. Eastern time every single day. I've never missed a day except that one week I went on vacation. Had to treat myself, It's ranging between 2.5 and FEGs. Yeah, it sucks. Thoughts on Forex? Forex has been really clean lately. How's the Doge? I don't trade crypto. This is a short. This is a consolidation, bro. I don't know what the fuck you seeing right now, but this is a consolidation. Why not TP? It's 1 to 2 already. Yeah, I mean, considering TP because I'm starving. Like I need to make breakfast. So we'll probably end the stream soon, make some breakfast, let the trade run, see for the TPs. The run will likely happen during AZA. I trade 9:15. I trade 9:30 to like 11:30. Can you please let us know when to bust or sell? This is my last trade of the day, so I'm gonna be ending stream after this. Really quick question: how do you set your stop loss? How do units work? This is a triple cone head and shoulders entry. Yeah, what the fuck that means, bro? Take profits before it goes south. No, who am I gonna watch then? You don't want to be watching anyone during 12 anyways, bro.
How do you set your stop loss? And like,
Is the trade invalid? Nope, trade's not invalid. Like, listen, this trade, the only true thing that would invalidate this trade is if we came all the way down here. That's just the truth, in my opinion. Because this is now your long-term low. This market should push up. It can get sloppy, it can get retracement, but in my opinion, these relative equal highs are going to get taken today or tomorrow.
yeah,
But they're going to...
How do you just delete your chart?
I just clicked the button right here. So these are going to get taken, right? And I don't think it's going to come back low, but I'm not going to put my stop loss here. That doesn't make sense, right? I'm happy to keep it where it is. The limits are at these highs. And we'll leave our last runner for that. This should be 8. So, no. Do I think I can get stopped out? 100%. I don't think my stop loss is safe, but I'm not willing to increase my risk. It's an aggressive stop loss in my opinion. The correct stop loss should be lower below these lows, maybe at this low or this low, but I'm not willing to increase my risk on a sloppier trade like this. It could make another low, yeah, but there's SMT there. I don't think ES will take the low. Same trade. Nice, bro. Well, I mean, micros, this is micros. That's a bull flag. LOL. Smart, yeah, And this is just By the way, this stuff I'm explaining to you guys, this is just my rules. So I'm not like going on the spot here. Like I knew all of this before it happened. It's my rules. Um, yeah, just learn ICT. Just honestly, if I were you personally, bro, honest opinion, I would just skip the TGR bootcamp and just go straight to ICT. But that's just me.
This is looking like Batman formation.
Yep, just trade your rules, bro. Listen, let me say something before I go make breakfast. ICT is inner circle trader. Are you profitable? I'd say so, but the last month has been really bad for me. You know, previous month was really good. The month before that was really bad. It is what it is. Depends on the psychology. Me personally, I'm gonna hold this. I don't think it's greedy. I'm taking this trade because I think the daily candle is gonna close bullish. You know, that's the reasoning behind my trade. So I'm not gonna close it prior. Maybe that's greedy. What you're gonna eat? I'm just gonna make some eggs. Maybe a bagel. Never back down. Never break even. Yeah, it's not a bad break even. I put it like here. I put it like here. Like I would break even after the breaker maybe. But like it's such a small loss break even. That's the same thing to me. Never back down. Never what? I mean, if you guys want, I can leave this open. Just put the camera off and go make breakfast. It's up to you guys. I don't have to end the stream. Should we move the stop loss now? Yeah. I mean, in my opinion, like this stop loss is as good as it gets, bro. It's a 5 point stop loss. It's safer. It could come down here, put in a wick. It's been sloppy. If you get the breaker, then you can increase the stop. Other than trading, what do you do? I work for a basketball league. Get Hammy to commentate. Maybe Hammy has to make breakfast too. Yeah, just leave it on. Someone said thank you. I'll stream on behalf of Gatie. Just go break even. This is pretty much break even to me, man.
I don't know.
I don't like this. I don't like this bottom wick. Like ref? No, not ref. I do the stats. What's your leverage? Don't even know, bro. Just trading the funded account. Do you work outside of trading? Yep, I work part time. Yeah, unfortunately, we got stopped out on the funded. I got stopped out like right here. It was like literally the same pick. So, or my stop loss was here, but I got slipped. So, it is what it is, you know? You live off your trades? Nope, absolutely not. What do you think about SK strategy? No idea what that is. Same one tick. Unfortunately, yeah, I got slipped on the funded. And, you have a plan B? Yeah, plan B is work harder on plan A, bro. Can you still enter a 5-minute FEG? Yeah, you can. That's straight up, bro.
Oh, bro.
Plan B is work harder on plan A, bro. Plan B is do plan A with a different mindset.
That's fucking jokes. That's a good mentality, bro. I feel like anyone who has a plan B is just expecting their plan A to fail. Plan B is work harder on plan A.
Yeah, bro. It's unfortunate we got stopped on the funded. Like, yo, let me tell you guys, the last 7 trades on the funded, we got stopped out, and then it hit TP. That's 7 in a row. You know how frustrating, Mr. Chuckles? You got your ass, Mr. Chuckles.
Those guys said, ICT said if you set a stop loss, you're expecting to lose.
Shit, bro. If you set a TP, you're like, you're limiting your profits. I don't know, the same shit, bro. Mayor of Chucklaville. It's funny because I know him in real life, and that's literally him, bro. All right,
Yeah,
I like the break even here. We're officially break even, guys. After 1 hour and 20 minutes.
can hear people in the background talking. There's just one guy, bro. It's just me.
It's just the guy I'm on Discord call with. It's a, you know, this is not a bad level to TP. Yeah. Let's go top. Nah, not a bad level TP, man. 1145. I'm not well renounced with like how much it expands. The macro is coming, but it's been choppy. Fuck it. We're gonna hold it. TBA. I've been so patient at this point. Maybe it's the wrong decision, but I'm making the decision to hold it. Yeah, we're gonna live trade.
Bro, this guy said he was $20 away from blowing his funded.
We're pretty close to blowing the funded. We need to make a. We need to start winning some trades. You know, we keep getting stopped out, and it keeps hitting TP for free every day. For free every day, bro. I'm here. You wanna come through? Come through, brother. Appreciate the roses, Dennis and Remus. Uh-oh, starting to wig. Yeah, this would have been a good TP, but I'm just gonna hold it. You should live on Discord? Not really. I'm a McDonald's meal away from losing my funded. Why are people on TikTok funny as fuck? Yeah, straight's mad long. This price action, man. Yeah, it's tough. You TP there. It's a good TP, man. It's a really good TP. It's not greedy. Taking your profits, you know. You definitely could have closed there. 9:30 to 11. Yeah. What is your balance and evaluation phase? Did you pass? Hell no, bro. Greedy TP. Just blew my 39th account. Any advice? Number 40 is the one, bro. Was up 600 and losing minus 283. That hurts. That hurts, Trey. I feel you, bro. You're really disciplined. Thank you, bro. How many PAs you have? 3 fundeds right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They're pretty close to being blown though. So we'll see if we can turn it around, but maybe not. Liquidity sweep of doom. Yeah, it's looking like liquidity.
What does IWL mean?
No idea.
You're really disciplined, IWL man.
It should probably, if it starts to run higher here, we'll just go make breakfast. I haven't blew an account this month. Wish me luck. That's funny. We're on a losing streak, bro. We got stopped out on this trade on the funded. Like it's unfortunately, bro. It's unfortunate.
You so many chances to re-enter, bro.
No, that's a bad re-entry.
Bro, look, you see that bullish FEG? It's like one point. It didn't even give an entry. That's crazy, actually.
We just left perfect equal highs there, huh? On yes. Take TP, go make breakfast. I'm gonna go make breakfast right now, yeah. Oh, we got our first 10K viewers, man. That's fucking amazing, bro. On TikTok. Alright, we'll see if this TPs. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Hami's gonna take over.
Please, I'm taking over.
You're taking over. I feel like it's gonna SL right here, but look at ES, bro. Holy shit. ES just hit SL. But we'll see. Yeah, Mr. Chuckle. Nah, just let it hit stop. Okay, might as well wait a little bit. You know, like it might end right here. So
Just take profit, bro.
no, bro.
Leave anyways. Just TP and call it a day, bro.
Nope.
Why would you, bro?
Wallah, you should take TP. Should have hit TP. Nope.
This is you being greedy, bro.
No, bro. Inversion's still valid. There's S&T there now. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss, bro. Stop loss is there. Why did I put the stop loss there? I would have just put it right here then. If I put the stop loss here, someone would say, hey, trail stop, do something. No, that's it. It's an SL, boys. It is what it is. Teacher talks about this overconfidence. I'm not overconfident. I'm accepted the risk, which is 0 at this point.
That is valid. I guess so.
There's probably a 2-minute fair value gap there.
You know what that goes to show? That goes to show that you're not gambling. That goes to show that you're trusting your system. So big ups to you.
Order block. 3-minute order block, 3-minute fair value gap. There's an S&P to those. Trade is not invalidated for me. Do I think it's gonna stop loss? Yeah, bro. But it's not invalidated. Just following the rules here. Yeah, follow the rules. You should have take the profit. All right, maybe.
Yo, but to be fair, guys, if he took profit, that goes to show that he's gambling his trade and he's not
Yeah.
actually putting in the.
If I take profit there, I'm breaking rule. What's the rule? What's the rule that says take profit there? The number is high. The P&L number is high. That makes sense. It wicked at a high, so it'll wick at this high. It wicked at this. Wicked at 1,000 highs. Why this one? Did it invalidate the trade? Nope. So we'll put the stop loss here though. If you get the inversion here, it's really good. Remember I said I put my stop loss here. Why? Because I said this candle has no bottom. So I want to cover it. It could come down here, put in the bottom, and still be valid. So far, not invalidated. Now it's done that, so we did leave relative equal lows though, so I'm a little bit skeptical. But then we'll stop loss. I'm gonna follow you in 4 days. Appreciate you, bro. Just give it up, bro. I gotta just see that. It's so close to like SL, you know? Why do we get this candle? I mean, I got it over here. We entered here. We got a really nice push. We were up 65 points. But, you know, I was wrong about the idea. It is what it is. For broker, I use Top Step and buy point futures. Follow you when I get home. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I'll stick with you guys for the stop loss, bro. Like, I'm already here. It's 11:50 macro. I will say, though, if we TP this would be, like, legendary, bro.
Yo, he has a video called "The Only Fair Value Gap You Need," and in the intro of the video, he's like, "Bro, this is a no bullshit, only FVG guy." Bro, like what?
No discounts for Top Step. Yeah, low-hanging fruit. This was a really good run, you know? The minor buy side, we called it out. We said it's safe to TP here. It doesn't need to go all the way up here. I'm not going to TP here because I know what I'm looking for. The trade idea was for it to come here.
Bro,
I'm more than happy losing if it takes the TP. I'm more than happy losing here. You know? Yep, every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. All right, Hammy's going to take over. I'm going to go make breakfast because we got a bullish candle. Top step for my fund and futures. Top step number 1 for me. Number 2, my fund and futures. All right, I'm going to go make breakfast.
You turning cam off?
I'll leave it on, but they're not going to see anything. All right. Go crazy, boys. Go crazy, Hammy.
I'll try, bro. All right, guys. I'm going to walk over to his house and close the trade, bro. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Amir does live stream every single day. I think he's live at 9. I'm not sure how early he's live, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't stream pre-market, but he's definitely live before 9:30. Before 9:30 every day. Say 9:20. Shit, yeah. I'll put my mic volume up. Hold on. This might be a little better. I'll also turn on my my noise suppression just because. Oh yeah, it should be good now. Bro, there was one guy in TikTok chat who was fucking cheesing me, bro. It's so ignorant, bro. So it's like such a selfish guy, bro. Let's throw a party in here. Hey man, do as you wish. Say some racist stuff and get his TikTok banned? Bro, what the fuck? Like, what is that, bro? What the fuck is that? How are you still in trade? It would have been stopped out in 2 minutes? Bro, he literally got stopped out twice. And then it hit TP on the short. That's stupid, bro. Favorite entry model? Amir's favorite entry model is, what the fuck is it called? Someone in Twitch. What's it called? Or YouTube, sorry. Bro, what is it, bro? I don't know what it's called, bro, but he basically enters off a silver bullet. Yes, is one, and the other one is bro, what is it called? It starts with a D. I don't know what it is, bro. I'm still new to this. He used to trade 2022 model, bro. Honestly, when he first started trading, I do know TJR. Amir does know TJR. But when we first started trading, sorry, we did 2022 model, and bro, like we were trading minis, and the risk was so bad. It was so bad, bro. Why MNQ is different from your? You're probably you're trading. Actually, I don't know. Actually, bro, why MNQ? I don't know. I'll ask Amir that. Amir is trading micros. He's also on his bro. What is price, bro? What's your opinion on OCT trading? OCT, bro? I don't never heard of OCT, bro. My opinion and not Amir's opinion, bro. Honestly, my opinion is that, bro, if ICT claims, I'm not obviously I'm not hating. This guy's fucking crazy as shit, bro. His price rate is crazy and executions are crazy. But bro, if he truly knows it's algorithmic and has developed models for an algorithm, like even bro, his entire thing on 2022 model, bro, we're in 2024 now, going to 2025. There's no way, like I do not believe that the market cannot develop and adapt into a newer algorithm. Like, bro, ICT says that you can use 22 model right now and it'll work. But bro, there's no way, bro. There's no way. There's just one thing. Like, bro, price. I don't know. I definitely don't think ICT is watched. He's definitely not watched. This guy's been trading for his whole life, literally. What's your opinion on ADHD trading, bro? I don't know, man. I'm going ball from trading. I feel you, bro. My hairline receding too. I feel that. I'm surprised it hasn't hit stop loss yet, bro. I mean, it's about to. Yo, to be fair, bro. I mean, Amir's stop loss is actually, bro. He's really good with his risk, his risk management, bro. Even sometimes he does get stopped out and it plays out. That's one thing that's bad, but he is risking like very little. Like, bro, we used to lose like literally like anywhere from 400 to 700 on a trade. Bro, it's just teasing the stop loss right now. What the hell is that? Bro, I'm not even jinxing him. I'm just saying. But price action is stupid as hell, though. I don't know what the fuck's happening. Someone pushed off his chair. That's funny. I haven't checked you trying to second. Yeah, breaker mitigation. That's what it is, bro. Thank you. Whoever that is, bro. Whoever said that. That's Amir's favorite. His favorite entry model is mitigation. I don't know why I said D. Not displacement. My bad. His breaker mitigation is Amir's favorite entry model. What Amir has back tested years, bro. Literally years. You guys don't understand how much work this guy put in, bro. So breaker mitigation is basically so a breaker block, like you can't really see, like I can't draw lines or anything. Wow, it hit stop loss. So Amir is no longer in the trade. He does have to, if he doesn't take out that sell limit and the price goes up there, he's gonna be put in shorts. Yeah, so breaker mitigation basically is when there's an OB and a breaker block that was formed, so there's a market structure shift. This is to my knowledge. Obviously, I could be 100% wrong. I can't end the stream, bro. I don't know how to end the stream. I'll text him though. Let me text him one sec. But yeah, breaker mitigation is just it's when silver bullet. I think it's when silver bullet is no longer in play and then and breaker mitigation forms. I don't know exactly what. Someone help me out here. Someone on YouTube help me out. What exactly is breaker? Well, obviously a breaker block forms and a so what is a mitigation block? Whatever the fuck a mitigation block is it forms after a breaker or into a breaker. I don't even know, bro. It's a candle in it, like a candle. I don't want to say deficiency, but inefficiency. Yeah, deficiency, I guess. There you go. Thank you, bro. An SMT with the breaker. It's when NQ or ES is lagging, depending on whether it's um, bullish or bearish, depending on whatever asset is weaker. An SMT forms, and then a breaker block also forms as a breaker mitigation. A failure swing, so a fake market structure shift. Thank you, guys. Thank you, man. I gotta start saying I don't know. That's when a mitigation is made. Yeah, thank you, Quicks. What color code that green? I don't know. Breaker 2016 is so. See, that's the thing. With ICT introducing Breaker 2016, it still works today. I'm not saying that it's inefficient. I'm just saying that, bro. Bro, everything is advancing. The market should also advance. The market is also a form of technology. Technology is only advancing. So what I'm saying is like, bro, sure, ICT may have invented every PDA that exists to this day, but there's no way that there aren't more to be formed and made in the future. You know. So like, what I'm saying is the value of a PD array. So like an FVG, okay, breaker block was formed way back when, bro. But what if at a certain point, a new block gets in, like a fucking lucky block. How about that? A lucky block gets invented and forms, and now it's more valuable than FVG, breaker, OB, like all this shit. Why on a 3-minute chart, bro? He's not even in the chair, bro. What do you mean? How is he gonna? He's not even moving his mouse. ICT is definitely not scam. I 100% disagree with that.
Cancel your sell limits. Yeah. My
Ghost trading.
Yo, make sure you cancel your sell limits.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah.
Oh, it was a good run. We called the TP at daily equal lows. We called this reversal. Turned out to be a retracement. In my opinion, we'll probably pump here in the near PM session. I definitely think these highs will be taken.
Can you explain breaker mitigation? I tried explaining it and I just fucking flopped.
Okay, yeah, I'll explain it, but I have a video. Your ego was so high for that highs. No, brother, you were trading P&L. I was trading candlesticks. You know, that's the difference. So, this is a mitigation block. This is a breaker block. If you can't identify this, then just go watch my video on this model. That's it. This is a breaker. This is a mitigation. This is a breaker. This is my favorite entry model because you have an SMT with the strongest PD array that can form, which is a breaker block. So you take this setup. This is my best setup. You enter on the breaker block or the mitigation. The mitigation is stronger. You can put your stop loss here. TP.
Yo, by the way, TJR is an ICT concept trader too, bro. What are you guys on? You guys think you trust, bro? TJR is.
Fuck, I gotta get it.
As an ICT trader.
Learn ICT on YouTube. TJR trades ICT, you broomstick. Broomstick's funny.
I haven't heard that ever.
Alright, make sure we journal this. So I'll show you guys how I journal these 2 losses, 1 break even.
Bro, TJR is not an ICT trader. What are you talking about? You're a fucking troll, bro.
He definitely is. You'll probably find ICT in like a lot of his videos.
Bro, one of his videos is literally labeled the only fair value gap entry you need. Like, what do you thought, bro? That's an ICT concept, bro.
I removed this element.
Bro, I don't know, man.
An SMT with a breaker and NQ mitigation. Exactly, Sarvan. That's exactly what it is. Momentum day trader here. What's up, brother? We accumulation next week, manipulation. Likely, possible. You know, we had really good news this week. Thought we were definitely gonna see the volatility, but seems like just came back into the range. Stayed around equilibrium of this range and then this range.
Liquidity sweeps explain. FVG
you make those titles, bro. Forget the title. He literally trades with liquidity and PD arrays.
He also, bro. Do you know Myso? Amir does know Myso.
Yeah, of course, Myso's the homie, bro.
Bro, in one of his videos, he literally says he trades. I think it's on his TikTok actually, where he says he's made his model off ICT concept.
No, I don't trade lunch. Who's the other guy? The homie? Hammy?
Bro, I don't even trade.
How you do today?
I'm new to trading and I know this shit, bro.
How do you do? Today was not bad. I'm really happy with my performance. We predicted really well. Yeah. Well, we followed the rules 3 out of 3. Major Chuckle is just a spectator.
Hey, man, I'm a spectator with valid opinion.
We gotta journal this. So I'll journal, and then I'll show you guys. And then, yeah, we'll call it. Always journal your trades. So next trade on the funded, we're gonna risk 400. We have 400 left. We're gonna risk 400. First one, 956 to 1008.
Bro, how can you just say that? How can you say some of it should scam, but some of it's not? It's either it is or it isn't, bro.
Yeah, it doesn't really make the most sense. Second trade. I don't remember the risk.
Yo, the Discord is sick, guys. The Discord's sick. Everyone is super active.
Our Discord's really good. We got a lot of people in there. I'm gonna work on what model do you use? I use my model. You overtrade. 3 trades is perfect for me, brother.
And also, it's not about how many trades you're taking. It's about how much you have a daily. You have a daily risk, no?
Yeah. First trade we took was a market maker reversal. No.
ICT concepts work, but he ain't profitable. Who's not profitable?
He's saying ICT is not profitable. How's your eggs? Fire, bro. Entry model, inversion market, rules broken, none. Trade played out. We got chopped up. I'm still struggling with predicting time distortion. I don't know what I was waiting for here. 10:15. Yes, 10:15. I think I waited for the macro to finish.
Bro,
You
what
were
do you mean
live,
trading
just
on
scrambled.
minutes? That's just a different model, bro. Bro, there's higher time frame and lower time frame. So if someone trades lower time frame, why is that a bad thing? What?
Someone said, "What's your model?" It's my model. Like I can't. I have a full system. I follow my system. You know. Yep, screen time for sure. And we will. So I'm doing the journal right now. Then I'll show you guys net P&L. Let's just say minus 100, minus 100, and then minus 77. How much did you cash today? $0, bro. We lost 2 trades today.
I'm gonna get breakfast. I'll be back.
Bet.
See you guys soon, guys. See you guys soon, guys.
Minus -1. Another day. That's 7%. What's your base model? Just look for to catch the bulk of the New York session, bro. Try to catch the bulk of the New York session. If there's a manipulation leg, I'll trade it. If it's an AMD model, if I can. Usually I look to trade the distribution. Yeah, today was tough. I used Top Step, My Funded Futures, 50K accounts. Trade 2, trade 3, minus 100, and the last one was... Nope, no profits today, brother. You're still in buys. The buys are still valid, but I wouldn't be in a trade personally. You should use the contracts to chart, not the NQ. Yep, we do. We do, brother. I got them all here. Our initial, right? I'm happy with my performance. You know, we took 2 losses, broke no rules. Like, I'm super happy with my performance. You know, we predicted pretty much everything. We said it was going to have an AMD model here. We said you can short this. I'm not going to say that I'm not going to short this, but you could have shorted this. It ended up distributing really nicely. We said it was going to take previous day low. How many people here said it's going to go up? Like 50 maybe, bro. Y'all were hating. Y'all were praying on my downfall. And we got stopped out in the short here because our stop loss was bad. It is what it is. But it came to our TP. We said it's likely to reverse from -2 to -2.5. It did. It reversed. We took the long. It ended up stopping right here, right at midnight open, New York open. That's actually interesting. And, you know, still valid. We just filled it out, you know. But we read the market really well. I wasn't able to predict this time distortion. And I wasn't able to predict this time distortion. I thought we were in clear bullish order flow. really hard to predict this consolidation here, but it is what it is, you know. All three trades were inversion markets. Yeah. Same vibes with MISO. Well, what do you mean? Yeah, I love MISO, but MISO's a real, but like me and MISO are really close, bro. I love MISO. All right, everything is journaled. I'll show you guys what the journal looks like. So we journaled these three trades. So not much to say. I just put the executions because I can easily see what's happened here. We entered on the shorts. Wait, did I not show 9:30? Let me redo this. There, that's good now. So it's Notion. I use Notion to journal. It's free. My template's in my Discord. If you want to have the same template as me, yeah, it's free, so I use it. Paula, I'll add you to the call. We'll talk, brother. All right, seems like that's it for me today, guys. I appreciate everyone coming through. We had a really good stream. We keep getting stopped out. It is what it is. We're following the rules. The headset, damn shit, you got me. You got me. We'll be live tomorrow, same time. I'll be live every single day. Nope, I don't use quarterly theory. I don't like it. Thanks for everything. Keep it up. Appreciate you, brother. I'll be live tomorrow, exact same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Hopefully we can win tomorrow. Today, I'm really happy with my performance. I switched back to the ICT colors. I like it. You know, our charts look clean, but you know, scrap the surface. I still think we'll come up here. So unfortunately, we didn't get to participate, but we'll see if it ends up coming here or not. So we'll keep our eye on that, and we'll go from there. So appreciate all the follows, appreciate all the love. Some people send roses. Thank you for that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Take care, Sarvan. Peace. Kuala, I'll add you to the call, brother.